Hello, excuse me, please. Excuse me, auntie, please come. I want us to talk.
Little girl,
Can I have your time?
where is your mother? Are you lost?
Which mother? I'm calling you saying mother. Which mother? I want to help you.
You want to help me? How? What can you offer to me?
Okay. I guess they asked that small boy, that boy where did they, if you know any house for you. Okay, let's do for my introduction. My name is Alice. But people for this village, because they know me well, they call me baby agent.
Baby agent.
You know, get any house, any kind of house where they find for this village where you go ask, see for me. I will give you any type of fine, poor house, rich house, any one at all. I did that for you.
Really?
So as they ask him, I say, if you like say you be new person, you don't really know me. You can say you know me now, me suppose they say, where baby agent today? Yes, now my work.
Okay. Okay, I'm looking for a safe con, a very fine safe con.
Okay.
As you can see, I'm a copper, and I was posted in this village.
Okay.
And I'll be resuming work on Monday.
On Monday.
So,
okay, but you need the house before Monday.
I need it as soon as possible. That's why I'm walking around. You can help me.
If you want the house today, I can give you. Trust me.
No, really.
We get the one where I get plenty. No worry.
Let's do it now.
We should do it. Okay, first of all, you go send me a non-refundable inspection fee. 10K. You want to transfer on our cash?
What do you mean non-refundable 10K? 10K is too much now for inspection fee.
No, now inspection. Not 20K they collect from other people. How much it will be if one man collect? 300 naira. Inspection fee. I will show you different houses. If the money pass, now me go still pay for other ones. I will show you different houses. Now you go make your choice.
Are you sure? I don't know if I should trust you. Are you sure?
My village, you can call one person, they might cover eyes. Call them, ask them who happy. Call them, might cover eyes. No call now. No call. Just no waste time. If you call, but no call now. Oh yeah, do the transfer. See my account.
Should do transfer? Okay.
See the account.
Okay.
Thank you. Sharp. Yes, let's go. The sun will be like sun. He go come. Me will call keke.
Keke drop. No problem now. For the past I'm out around.
Trust me. You go there. Pack it.
Okay, I'm done. Another kg. Another kg.
You said you never reach the place. That is 2 hours. Now we never reach the place.
Okay, another kg now. What you do? Okay, go away. Okay, give my money. Go find another kg. I don't tire. Since
But we never reach where we dey go now.
Okay, give my money. What you do?
Give her money, oh! Give her money, oh! Give her money, oh!
We dey
I
work.
don't know you have to give her money,
Okay, go
oh!
find another kg. I'm not go
Give her
anywhere.
money, oh!
I'm not go anywhere. She's money.
Give her money,
Wait, make I count my money.
You complete.
Wait, make I count am. If you don't complete, you complete am. I'm not go anywhere.
give her money, oh!
Okay. If you don't complete, you complete am. I let you go find another kg.
You say where we dey go now? Me sef don tire now.
Very small. No, don't stress her. Don't go.
Wait. Wetin be that name? Baby agent, Abina, wetin you call yourself?
Baby agent.
Abeg, I'm tired. I am done. I blame myself for listening to you. And as a small pikin I go listen to you, I dey craze.
Leave your house. I don't reach your house. Maybe now you waka finish. Now when you reach your house, don't dey
Now I
tell.
will beat you because as you do me like this, if I use and beat you, you no go like me oh. I am done. Refund me.
Which refund? When you pay the money, what did I tell you? I say no refundable inspection fee. Now you cannot. How do waka come? You cannot be in there. Look at your house, this yellow house.
I blame myself. You know what? I just very blame myself for listening to you. As this small pikin like this, I go listen to them. I blame myself. Now you be the fool. No wahala oh, no wahala. Chop the money. They go kill you there. Kill you there.
No, go collect it. See your house now.
Kill go kill you there. Go look for the house. Go there, go look for the house. When you carry me waka for another 30 minutes, you dey craze. I'm done with you. I'm not doing this thing with you again. Go chop the house.
Just say finish. You know now you see your house. You know enter your house again. I'm not finished.
Baby agent, she be baby agent. Her inspection fee.
I know that that's how people go miss heaven. No, you go run heavenly race finish. Which heaven gate? You don't tire. How for you? How for you?
She be baby agent. At least you know they play. Na hustle she dey, no house too far for Alice. She go find out for you, yeah. Her eyes on the money, the money alone, and she is too smart to like smarty for no. Buy to get your money, she goes giving to talk. She goes.
I don't love you, babe. You be my one and only. My baby na kuelele, my sugar. I be a good life for you. You are my love. Only you did this heart. I dey tell you true now. Only you see. I no fit. I dey craze. You are my one and only.
Patrick! What is the meaning of that nonsense wey they do? Oh, so I reckon you no fit even feel my shadow, even for spur. You just get mind, they tell another woman how much you love her. Why do you behave like that?
Which kind of nonsense fear you put for my body like that now? What you just put fear from my body like that? Like bingo they bring from Akwa Ibom. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
Let them be which kind of nonsense be that? How you go there here, they profess your love to another woman? Why me, I didn't know you call me a bingo? Why do you do that? Why?
What did you shout? What did you shout for me for? Nobody you say you no get the money to give me. So I get to call another woman who go give me the money. There they shout. What did they shout? It be bingo. What did they shout?
So now make you call me bingo. Now say as I can't behave like a dog. Why do you do that? Because I no get money. Now make you go tell another woman say you rough am. I tell you say make you give me small time. Make I your hustle. I go bring the money now.
See, don't be love I go chop. I see I do like this now. Now money I need. Now money, if you give me the money, I no go cheat on you again. You see, I said like I no get shit as I do like this. You tell me love. What people love here? See, if you don't bring the money what I need now, see this heart will be here.
Now I chase again. No, now I want to check something. Now again.
Give me the money.
Now again.
And let me check your people. Give me the money.
Okay, see, just do like this. Give me little time. Now what can I make you? Give me little time. Make I just hustle. I go give you what you want, but you say ruffian. I don't want to lose you, but.
I believe money. I beg. Which love be that one?
But see, but I love you very much, and I don't want to see you with another woman. You break my heart.
See. You get one more woman and they do something before you come back from a pipe seat. You understand? So no listen for what they turn and scope at the they tell and say bye. So as you come back now, I don't want anything to bring problem between me and you. I want to see me and you be like this. So all those things they tell and now school. Jesus. Now you be the only woman where I love. Yeah, now you live for this heart.
I mean, no, say you they try one person now. You know when a woman hear a man they tell another person say, I love you, I can die for you. I say, does it mean that my man don't turn to Dr. Jesus when they die for people? I didn't know.
So you don't know say I love you like that.
I don't know.
So you don't know say I love you.
See, I love to love you, I believe, because they like hippie tongue. I didn't sure say this is my loco, my handwear. Jesus, I don't peace. Nothing anybody go tell me. I remove for off. Do it again.
Why they shut up?
Jesus, I don't peace. Uncle, you want to like say you know the year now? No, you want to like say you know the year. Who are we?
Are you calling my name like that? What is wrong with you?
You want change your name? Maybe the name where they give you be that.
Don't you have respect? Huh? Don't you have respect?
They need to respect person where they owe money. A poor man does not have a say. If you owe money, you don't get say.
Oh, it has come to this. It has come to this, Kate. Be very careful.
That thing
be very careful.
Eyes, so. Anyway, I come here to come collect the money where they owe my papa before he die.
I don't have it now. But I will pay later.
Which kind of talk be that one? Which one be you don't have it now? Okay, that's you want prolong the money now. You want carry them forward. How you go up and send money to the person that you don't want pay him? I mean, you want go pay him for spiritual wall?
I said I will pay later. I don't have it now.
Okay, you pay later. You even open your hand like a trailer, nyang tipper.
I will pay later.
No problem, oh. Since you go pay later, make I go back here and I'm going to carry all your code one by one until when you can
Don't try it. Don't try it.
Don't try what?
Look my good.
Uncle, let me go kill you.
Get.
Uncle, better kill, don't touch me.
Don't try it.
Mama, come and kill young boy.
Don't. Get. Don't. Who's pursuing you?
I saw Kate sneaking into your house.
My house?
Yes, I saw her.
But my door is locked. How did she get in?
I don't know. I think she has a spare key.
Spare key?
Yes.
To my own house?
Yes.
Impossible! Where's my keke? Where's my keke? Ujunwa! Yes, madam. Where's my keke?
I don't know. Where from But you don't believe it too.
Believe what?
Alice came here with one guy like that to carry your keke. I don't know.
Alice carried my keke to where?
I don't know. Hey! You're not coming from the hospital. You're not fine.
Igwe, that guy must be punished for breaking into my house and stealing my money without my knowledge. She stole my money in my absence, Igwe.
Ichia Amadi, are you sure you have not wronged that girl? She's your niece. And what would have given her the nerves to break into your home in your absence?
No, Igwe, don't talk about this. Eh? You can't say this. Igwe, I have done her no wrong. Kate must be severely punished.
Leave that for me to judge. Okay? Guard!
Igwe, may you live long. Ichi,
so you have recovered?
You are recovering. I'm just recovering.
Oh.
But I'm here to make a complaint to you.
Complain? About what?
Igwe, I'm just coming to my house they told me that Alice, my distant cousin, Alice, my distant cousin, came to my house and took away my keke. Alice.
But why would she come to your house and take your keke?
God!
Maybe say no one may you give me, but you give me the skeleton part. I want something where they, you know them. If you enter my
mind. This one no be skeleton, this I will call it Uran. Yeah, take.
What? I don't want this kind of now. This kind of video.
Sorry. I take. Sorry.
My darling, use this one hold your side so that you can see road well.
No.
You know, say my love for you can never end. So I choose to give you ribbon so that you go be my bold man.
Why can't they give me bold?
Because you go want me to be my bold man.
Won't give me nana. Who let the dog shark?
Boo! See the way you bite them like a dog. And I let woo remain make you do. So, I remember.
Give me this one.
No.
Wait.
You want that one? This one is too big for you. Now you go turn to thief.
What's wrong with you? Una mates, they workshop, they hustle. Now there they do what they go give you belly. They do what they go give you belly.
Leave
What you want to do?
Leave him. Not you to know they here. If you find out, you go kill her.
What you want to do? Because you be my big sister, you gonna do anyhow.
God, no insult me. No insult me.
Hey, who you be? I'm Nkata. Who you be when they point me, you do man? Because you there with my sister. No man say you there with her, na me they feed her. Na me they give her money when she dey survive. I tell you something. Sister, you know say they give you little township for Calabar. You carry yourself come this village. You know say you call them make they manage with me. They survive with my money. Now, the only thing we call your brain now to call this village, now to go carry man. Man where you carry, na person wey no dey get himself. You carry man where be say every girl for this village don rejected stone, abandoned stone, now him carry.
You get man, call my man. Where God anoint for it, give me talk, abandon. You call him abandon.
Rejected stone, yes, now what's in it? You know they got to say.
And you say make I not finish this game. You say make I not run am down.
Village hospital no dey here. I know why they talk. Come, no insult me. No insult me.
See you, Akunkata. Why insult if I don't insult you?
Why you call my man Aku? Why do you call him Aku? Not even Fufu. Aku for deep language. Why do you do that?
Yes, in Bele. That's what get that Bele. They get sense.
Baby.
See, Mark tell you una too. Una there the useless in our life. If una better know something, and I don't know my money you use by that.
God will punish you. Get money.
You are the play with my money. You be elder sister, but you know they get yourself. This Bele will be like what you person drink water. What you want? Come beat me house.
Leave him.
Come beat me house.
She need to get herself.
Now you know they get yourself.
You won't pull up.
Who get that money with your hand? Give me that money, because I don't see my money. Give me.
Come collect.
Give me that money now. Give me that money.
Jesus Christ.
You don't say that girl when you go finish now, my sister. Because you don't say she not too reason well. She not too get upstairs. Now make you want come finish her. They say when you not say now my money she dey use to survive.
I won't kill this my sister. You say make I no kill her.
Hospital no die.
I could give my money. Give me one son. Who give you that money?
Darling, allow me make I carry this girl. Do am God chose you.
Give me that money.
How do you have fear? No, wait.
Hospital.
She see the place.
Leave her. Hospital. No hospital yet.
Oh.
No.
Alice, the king demands your presence at the palace now.
You say? They say king they call you for palace.
Both of you.
I don't know if you do bad.
I know what you don't do.
Who know what I don't even say the palace? Because you know they had you to perform miracle.
Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get a refund. She be baby
Which one you come with nicely?
Alice,
One come nicely. Do I look like a coach to you? So why you come there look ridiculous? I said I come there.
She be baby agent, yo. Alice, no they play. Now hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money, the money alone. And she is too smart like smarty for no. To get your money, she goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher, Jay. To collect your money, she goes even to talk to you, she goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alice go turn tiger. Alice baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent.
Kate, you broke into your uncle's house and stole his money. You know you could be stoned to death.
No, pamper mercy with justice. No. When you see this, my uncle, where he this my uncle, a very wicked man. When you know, tongues, since our mama and papa died, leave us for this village, we be orphan. If we out of your good heart safe, you be part of the people where they help us to see say we survive. If this my uncle never do anything good for us, you know they even help us, you know they show us rough. A very wicked man. This my uncle don't sell all their property where my father and I live for this community. No stop for them. I don't want make this my uncle say the money where they owe my papa make it at least pay even if not back payment. No we use them the whole our side. No agree. So now I'm hungry, come hungry me and my sister tired today. Come say make I enter house. If I do not even break inside the house, so I just enter say make I carry little. He begin they call me thief. If I give me title say I be thief, my father brother, you are a wicked man.
Ichi Amadi, you have been maltreating this young lady ever since the death of her father. You ought to do better.
Your Majesty, don't believe what she's saying. Do not be deceived by her crocodile tears. She's very manipulative.
Just the same way you have been manipulating them ever since the death of your father.
Your Majesty.
Enough. Now, listen to me. Ichie, henceforth, you have to give them what belongs to them. And make sure you pay them every month. Else, you'll be banished from this kingdom. You will no longer sell any land that belongs to them without their consent. Ichie Amadi, do you understand?
Yes, you will.
Now, Alice, why did you lease this decade out?
I can explain.
Explain what? Explain what? See, in this village, this girl, the only thief. She the only thief. They explain. But the other day, this girl go to Mama Abraham house. She took Mama Abraham wheelbarrow. When she sold Mama Abraham wheelbarrow away, also the property. She sold also the property. And you are here, so you can explain. Your Majesty.
The same girl almost sold my land 5 months ago. The same person we're talking about.
Yes, Your Highness. This same girl rented out my late brother's shop without my consent. When I confronted her about it, she said because the shop was just there wasting, so she decided to rent it out and she pocketed the money. Imagine that, Your Highness.
Your Majesty, that is all she does in this village. Yeah? Can you believe that she swindled my cousin 150,000, proposing to sell a land at Ameke to my cousin?
Alice, let me hear from you.
Thank you so much, Igwe, for not condemning me just like the world.
You're not trying to be too sure. Let me hear from you.
Igwe, sir. You see this man over there? This man is a fool. I'm sorry to say that, sir. My good will not kill me. My good can never kill me. You see, I don't know whether an accident is there with Keke, but that Keke was very bad. Like it spoiled like mad. That Keke was drastically damaged. And I'm like, okay, see when we say in the hospital, make I sell the Keke since it's of no use. Let me say, I use my money, my hard-earned money, I fix that Keke to the core. After we see that Keke, I sell the Keke, I produce money so that people go fit buy them. I sell that Keke, use the money, give am to them. Make it be something we use, support am for hospital bill. Nothing else.
Wait for a minute. You said we supporting his hospital bill. Who are the we?
It is true. When she leaves house the Keke, she gave me a deposit, and that is what we use it to pay his hospital bill.
Hey! Uju, but you told me that it was Good Samaritan that paid my hospital bill.
She's the Good Samaritan.
Okay, I don't wish to be a Good Samaritan. No, I know rich now. Leave me feeling I don't look like Good Samaritan. That's it now. We are seeing what people do.
You see, you be necessary when I know say nothing good will come out of you. This charity work where you turn to Good Samaritan, you do am or you don't do am.
You don't come cast me.
I know say you be thief. You don't fit do anything good. You don't go thief person Keke.
Yes, sir. Do.
Yes,
Yeah, I tell her that I said the thing you pay for the hospital bill. I can't tell her. She can't say I tell them. I say I cannot be doing good and be saying it loud to the world. So she now say that they will forget it if you come back from the hospital. And I said no need to forget it. And now she's telling me that have you seen you have forgotten it all. Yes. Now she's pointing me that you're good now. He's finally picking you.
Because prophet needs to get respect for where he comes from.
Yes, I want money and I told her about it. Very correct about it.
Hey!
That's it now. Keep it thick. Better thick.
Oh, you say anything?
Better thick. They catch you. We eat it. Just an only need bad.
I swear to God, if you give me title again, if you call me thief again, I'm going to go punish you.
But not be thief, they call you.
I'm not thief, I carry. Which one be thief? Thief there, if you call me carry.
Now you thief and me.
No, I lift that.
Now all of us go there, not thief.
If we do your good now, which one they call me thief? Now you be on your shit. If we do your...
They look me, Abi. If not be me, you go for don't roast you alive.
I know, thank you. You do that, now you fine. I want to make everybody call you.
I beg. Leave all this your empty praise, Joe. Give me my money.
I will come. You like money? You like money, oh?
Before I call, give me my balance, Joe.
Give me that thing, man. Give me that thing.
Now 1,000 now you won't come out my eye. Go and bring her back. Go carry her back for ground. You go do your good now.
Hey, give me. I go give you your money.
Take that.
You will rush your sister because of 1,000.
I will say this money complete.
You not trust me.
Trust you. I feel they trust you.
Which kind of talk come bring that one? No, you don't say na small place they lead to insult. What do you mean by you fear who trust me? Like you they fear who they trust me. What you can't talk with that one?
Before I call.
Come on, money, come on, you are beg.
Next time make I do something with you.
I mean not the money you want.
I beg.
Not money you want. If I call you tomorrow, make you drop for me. You know it's time to give me money.
Oh! Jesus Christ! Wait! So that girl, actor, you can make come hack for equal.
Yes,
but see me that means Jesus so the for sky.
Actor she did. No, she call after what is she asked? Now she even see you say you thief for her. That man. But she go tell you, as no come get money, may you sort am out. She casting, you not casting.
Now this one man go tell you no tell me make I drag a man knock for ground.
Why you not thief? You not thief. You thief now. You not get money sort am.
No, they call me thief. I no be thief. I say I carry. Now why you trust and no fit ever touch ground? What kind of nonsense be that? You no get single respect. Eh?
You be thief only.
I no be thief. I be carrying. I lift. I no thief. No give me title. Now you be thief.
That's thief.
Only whoa.
All the money what they give you.
No, can't sit down the sharp man now. No, can't sit down the run your man like broken tap. If it's here, who not paying good for one? Oh, you believe it.
PG, are you assuring me that the project will be done at the specific time you told me? Because I told you that the governor will be coming to inspect the project. Are you sure? It's okay. No problem. I will hold you by your word. It's alright. Just do a perfect job. It's alright. Okay.
My king.
Alright.
Please ensure.
Oh, okay. Oh, my beautiful princess, how are you? Your dad is fine. You told us you'll be coming back very soon. It's alright, it's alright. It's okay. Alright, talk to your mom.
My princess, yes, I have heard you.
Your Highness,
the government officials are here to see you.
What do you say?
The government officials are here to see you.
Government officials? That's all, bring them in.
You see all this small thief wey you dey thief, God dey give your useless boyfriend. You see am? You need to stop am now.
Who you dey call useless boy? I hope say no be Patrick my boyfriend. Now you open your mouth to call useless.
But wetin e be? I don't tell you fact. Now me be your sister. I know something. Now me go tell you wetin people dey think about you. No be you go tell me. Do you understand? He's useless. Wetin he get? No be dey feed am. If you no give am money, no chop. Now me dey feed you. I be first hand, you second, you third party. Now me first party, second party, we dey transfer am. No be my money you dey give am. If I no dey work, how you want take chop? How he want take chop? So no worry. Now useless boy be no just dey cover am up. Yeah.
What kind of nonsense talk you dey talk for your mouth so? Eh? Man wey dey give me joy. Man wey dey make my heart dey beat faster than my saddle. Now you go open mouth dey address as useless. I swear, no be say God spirit dey my body. Wetin I for do if I no like am? So you come here, sit down here to come insult me, your elder sister. You no get respect, oh.
Man talk abi man no talk wetin carry me come.
If you don't want to talk what you want to, I beg get out from my front. Don't behave anyhow. So they behave like network failure.
Wetin I want tell you be say, I want make you start this business wey I dey do. Cause you know say this business na dey give me money wey I dey use to take care of myself, take care of you and your boyfriend. Na me dey take care of you and your boyfriend. So I want make you join me into the business. Make all of us chop what's more.
Make I join you for the business where you don't chop shame. Say very soon now this finish you go to hide everywhere, every corner. Make I come join you.
Not shocking. You know say everybody for this village know say na me be the real Ogbenge agent. Forget that thing when that old mugu go tell Igwe. Forget am. Everybody know. So you want yourself for na me be the main agent. Don't mind them all. See people, no mind people go talk about you, but they know the truth. So now me be the real agent. They know. Don't they want yourself for, don't they deceive yourself.
Hey, and the truth where they know be say everything where they talk about you, not true. Me, I know one be thief.
No one be thief.
Yes.
No wahala. Ma ask you again. Last. You know, so they say opportunity comes but once. I will ask you this once and for all. I'll be your sister. And because you're my sister, I make her do like this. This good thing what they do now. I don't care. I don't care say you know they here when they boy you. Not my fault say you know get our tongue. Not my fault say they carry you go Calabar. I know say no if you go Calabar again. Nobody will give you transport when you go Calabar go day. And they carry you go Calabar. I don't know who change your tongue. I've been at form with the foreman. I don't know your benefit or what you they gain. Whether you use an prayer. I don't know. Nobody say you sweet for max. I don't know. But I want to tell you the same. Not a last opportunity. I'll ask you once and for all. Me and mind. You want join this my business or not?
Aris, Aris, I swear to God, if not be because of the fact saying at the same beremy and you come out, what thing I for do you for no right? Aris, whether you like it or not, and for that reason, you don't get the right to come they claim say you be landlord. Forget the fact say you and mama and papa been there this house before they come down leave the house. When you come sit down, the fee say now you be King Kong. You don't get right to the talk to me anyhow. I be your senior sister.
They call you for village meeting now. May we use Igbo. They speak, they do the meeting. You feel say something.
Yes, I go talk.
If you talk,
yes.
You will talk. When Calabar don't fill your mouth, clean your tongue, Igbo tongue now. You say you really. You don't know. Do not come for this place.
If you want to talk to me, bring down your temple. No, they serve me.
They do have the last one.
I go do, but it go there based on percentage.
If this the way you don't talk now, like contract agreement. You not say you gonna do the work. Now me say I be your madam from today for the work.
Which one be madam?
Anything work you know what you go do.
How?
And what is how? Like what's that? What's how?
Which one be person? Everyone talk to me like that. Maybe you know that is in and I try to do like person. You don't go touch my battery side where you're not supposed to touch. Which one be madam and contract?
But we don't say contracts and I mean be your madam now. Why you calling? I don't like work person go stress me.
See now percentage. Now percentage. Now me and you go.
I don't talk about money. You don't. Now so when they work. Apprentice now, you don't talk about money. What be that one now? We calm down the rush things now.
But I no fix. No fix.
So now maybe your mother now. If they go work, I'll give you account where they go use the pay inspection fee. After my account they go to pay month end I go give you a percentage. You hear me?
And no one call. I say na percent na one. No, the carry cord and percent join together. Don't confuse me.
I want the difference between cut and percent. They say you go. No wahala.
The difference between cut and percent, we say, cut, you cut my money, percent we share. So no, they try to, they say you get this. You don't have anything. My IQ is so high, but they try to come down to your level.
Inspection fee, no get refund. Hey, Alice on your loibo. I'm out to do sharp, but pass razor blade in on Alice no dey play, na hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice.
It's alright.
Please extend my regards to His Excellency.
Yes, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Thank His Excellency for me for the gift.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I really appreciate it.
Yes. Let's proceed.
My heart is full of joy. My heart is full of joy.
Such a beautiful place in one of the choicest locations. The governor is truly a good man.
You can say that again. Yes, he is.
That reminds me. What did the princess say?
She's making plans to come home.
Wow. What about Leo?
They're coming back together.
That's good news. That means we are getting planned for this massive wedding.
Sure. Well, you never can tell because You know your stepdaughter. She's not in for fancy things.
You never know. It has been ages. She might have changed.
Well, who knows? Please, I'm hungry. Tell Lucy to give me food.
Yes, my king. Lucy! Lucy!
You see this agent job? I thank God say I finally listened to you, Yoina. Since you I follow you on this one, I saw all your let it drip from my mouth.
You gotta make money.
But now you never give me my own percentage for this year of good one.
I'm coming down. I'm going to get back now.
Oh, you carry everything go back.
I will draw.
But this one now when we go, this last one with the woman now cash, I see him. He give you cash, show that one day.
What do we use by this when we chop?
Okay, we use and buy, so that means you could refund me now. No problem. Big part where you allow for program. Why you be pay that?
Oh, but yeah, where is my money?
Jesus,
Where is my money?
Where's my money? My neck.
You're asking.
Ichie, are you sure the person you saw on the land wasn't an intruder?
No. The young man in question is his son. He only rushed to inform me of it. He will not be lying about something that serious. My king, Alice sold my land. Even though that I saw and confronted them, work was already beginning on my land. And I asked, when will this stop? When will I get call Alice stop all this nonsense?
Well, I will ask my guards to call her so I can inquire from her.
But Your Majesty, isn't it high time you threw that little thing out from this village? She might as well sell the entire village and all of us in it one day.
The queen is right.
Ichie, like I said, I will call her and inquire from her. You may go home.
See them village terror. If they pass something you lost, if you keep
which kind of nonsense is that? Now this kind of job now you tell me say it is.
Which kind? What's happening? Now which kind? Not the job body.
Which can be what you have? Okay, what if I think that man now can't carry me go? What if I do?
Why you go carry me?
You there? How can I support you there because your physical you know that you don't disappear.
I disappear but I still come back. What did they do?
What if before you come back now you don't carry me? Can I ask you?
No, nobody will carry me go. That's not small. I thought that before you go take off now, save your life now. That's not small.
Okay, you take off. You don't carry me take off. Since you don't talk to aeroplane now, you don't carry me take off. No, if not so this year up there, they don't carry me go this year up again. No.
Calm down, you go learn. That's not small. You go learn.
I go learn. I go to learn to run. I go to learn to run. You don't get respect for your elder sister. You put your phone up here.
See, before you do anything, like before you achieve anything, you must injure. Don't do for that before you go win. And if I don't do it now, you don't learn. You go don't be professional like this.
I don't be professional. So for that, I for lost my life. If I lost my life for my grave now,
I will come down for you. May you calm down.
Come down. If you won't come down. If you won't come down for this keke, come down.
I don't pay for the keke. Now you supposed to come down. You don't shout for me.
Which kind of nonsense be that? You carry me go Europe. Europe if I carry my life. Which kind of Europe be that?
Not the shout for breadwinner. Not the shout for breadwinner.
What breadwinner? Not breadwinner. You mean now bakery now you mean? Now bakery now you mean? Which kind of nonsense? Why give her which money?
Give her money and not carry cash.
No, you don't carry cash, cashier. No, you don't carry cash in the cashier. You will not fit.
Give her money now.
See, carry that my sister will go. She don't bless
See them village terror.
If I tell you, sir, they're very reliable. Now we they give people land. And me they give people land. All of them like this, come reach this place like this. In fact, now very if I want build, if say now me God place when I want build, the house go face like this because now road from you go they feel.
Okay. Well, this land is quite beautiful and it's nice. Everywhere don't develop. Like this is exactly what I need. Very terrible. Like
I will know say any customer when I go carry come once you see this land, you know go do am few once because this land dey for a very strategic position where we say once you sight am, your dream house you go don build am. In fact, your eyes go become architect.
You are quite funny, my dear. You are very funny. I like it.
I don't know anybody when I just talk to if I open my mouth, you go sing go that. You go get your piece of mind. You can't tell me say I dey funny, but I know they see myself like funny.
Madam.
No, don't call me madam. I'm small because I never reach to 1 year. Call me Kate. Kate. Yes. Don't call me madam. Don't give me title.
Well, I think it's a nice one and it's quite okay. It's very nice one.
I like it, sir. Before you go like me and my phone, you never give me inspection.
That one wouldn't be an issue. Instead, I will do it just right away.
No, I don't have to. Don't carry me. I don't have to. I don't have any sickness. In fact, I drink all this native just leaf now, so I cannot have to. Talking about the account number. Bring your phone.
Sorry.
Yes.
Madam, you have to give me your account number so that I can initiate the payment.
The account not be my own, and my sister own. But if you send the money, you go receive the area.
Okay.
So 204 448 419 End Time Bank.
End Time Bank.
Yes.
Okay, Kate. Alright, I don't send that. I don't send that.
Okay.
You call your sister.
I go. No, she go tell me once I just.
Okay. I would like to see the landlord so that I'll collect the document and also know if the land they get see approval. Every document that is concerning the land.
I know say you go like that, no problem.
What could you see?
As for the payment now, I'll go make carry you go show the owner of the land. Come on, help me. I will go close to the ground.
So you see, I hope say everything. I believe this one gets you.
Oh, then I lay it land. I don't think it is.
No dey play, na hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money alone, and she is too smart to like smartphone. Buy to get your money, she go smart. Even to talk, she go sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher, Jay. To collect your money, she goes. Even to talk to you, she goes. If you give her money, Alice go turn tiger. Alice baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice on your loibo. She be baby agent.
Where do you say we are going?
I don't tell you my name, maybe madam. No, they give me title. My name is Kate.
I'm freaking tired. Like, we have been on this journey for hours.
Which one be your name is Philip? I don't ask you your name. I know they won't know my customer name. My own, make I show them property. Which one be Philip is tired? You say make I show you the owner of the property house. Now there would they go? You say Philip is tired.
I didn't say Philip. I say I'm freaking tired.
Now I say I no one know your name. Can the place where they go? See, I'm very close. More they go.
See, madam, I'm not moving an inch from here. See, what I want you to do right now is just to refund me my money. Just refund me my money.
Oh God, I want to laugh, but I want to laugh in a way that please the Holy Spirit. God, customers say make I do refund.
What is funny here? What is funny?
What is no funny? Even you will talk this thing, you know funny you. Might refund you which money? You get that you take give me money from my hand. Not in my account now you pay the money for it. Which one be refund money? They know they refund for you.
Madam, for your own good, please refund me my money. I'm not going anywhere from here.
And Uka, for your own good, I ask you again. You get that you take pay money, give me for hand, or you put them for my Uka account.
So, in fact, this is what you do. This is what you do to people. You just go about collecting people's money, coming them all like that. Madam, if you don't refund me my money right now, you get the bitter part of me.
See the way they talk, you will say your chest they very big, make you the muscle. See, I can feel it. They will say, oh my God, I didn't get flesh for chest. And for the dance. You give me money for hand.
A woman, you wanna do something. A woman, you wanna do something. Madam, you know what? I don't want any problem from you. You can keep the money. You see, one day, you meet Waterloo.
Which one will meet Waterloo? The person who get the property name not be Waterloo. Why do you give person name? Ah, you are going back. No, come make I go show you. Don't carry me come for. You won't go back. The person, the house is no longer found. It is closer. No. Come make I go show you the person house. You change your mind. You change your mind. Are you a chameleon? Don't go back. You don't take you turn. But this person likes your head. This time, no matter what you think, you don't pick the place for body. You drive away seek a prophet to make a good life for Bible. Because what is this? You might just do a crack and say, God, now go this one when you just beat life. And time, but nothing come out for this. He break.
Yeah, too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money alone, and she is too smart to like smarty for no. Buy to get your money. She goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher. Jay to collect your money. She goes even to talk to you. She goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alice go turn tiger. Alice baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice on your loibo. She be baby agent. Her mouth too sharp will pass razor blade. No. She be baby agent. Alice no dey play. Na hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money alone, and she is too smart to like smarty for no. Buy to get your money. She goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher. Jay to collect your money. She goes smart. Even to talk to you. She goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alice go turn tiger. Alice baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent.
Oh no, so fast, man. Nothing good. Ma can't go give another person if you never ready. Nothing good. I'm going to tell you.
But this thing just crash now. You guys say they need to don't get accident.
Even if you get accident, which motor for this country now you never get accident. But this one never die. Even if you get accident, just pack it up.
See, even if you get yourself, don't break. All these things.
No matter. What's the matter na the engine? What's the matter for car na engine? You hear me, bros? What's the matter na the car gong? They move. We cool. Now what's the matter, bros?
But that amount where they call is too much.
No, not too much. You see now, yeah, 5K go work out. It's the day, not too.
But 5K no be small money.
I know, but 500K last. Go price keke. New keke now. Go price and they'll tell you. 500K now just make it bill.
See what's happen. You know say country hard. As you be now, so how much you want come out from that?
My brother, 500K last. You know how many things I change for this keke? This keke be don't die. I mean resurrect am. You don't die, pa. I mean do like this. No worry. 500K.
Sure, you know say I go still work and based on all this thing with day like this. See how much you want come out from me, make I buy them from you.
Oh yeah, 450 last.
450. You don't come again.
If you don't pay 450, then you call. My call another person 450.
No, don't worry. I go take pay you now.
Yeah, I can't transfer. 450 carry am.
Baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice on your
Hey, I've seen Bimbo. I said, I saw all my clients when I carry go my girl today. Now I saw them mumu. I said, waiting be all this one. Very mumu said of woman being. Say, I saw all my client now, all my crime.
No clients.
Which one be that? Professor English language is that you? Whether crime or crime, anyone where you call me, no concern me. But my sister. You know, say now I come there, I say, this year money where they inside long.
I don't tell you. I don't the money there. I don't keep your cut.
Which one be you keep my cut? I be my percentage. Shouldn't be cut. You won't cut my money how?
I keep your percentage.
Hey.
Take.
Waiting be this. You want use and buy paper?
Your money to that.
This one be my money for block money when I work today. They give me 4 papers in my money.
That one now, the money there my bank. You just they breathe. I dey save them for you. So now you just use the cool body. Use and buy water drink and for the work today.
You don't make I understand. You know when you say my God, I say Jesus Christ. Does it mean that this one won't cut my life, see? Because 2,000 can send me to Eli Crave, but okay, they save that one, make it plenty. Oh,
come plenty, and you will come to buy that. Take.
I don't. You they save only my own, or my own and your own.
My own and your own.
So
you go just use that one.
Take home my body.
Yeah.
I tell you too smart. If you not be my sister for the cry.
Yo.
But the way you they happy, they like say you won't carry this money. I they fear my mind they cut.
Carry this one on my own. I don't give your own.
As you can't they do, you can't they smile for the money. My separate leave my body. I don't know.
No, you go be.
This one where my sister can't this money they work and yash they shake. Does it mean that you won't come? No, go carry my money to BVL. This one I know what I see now. Instead change that money to Blair.
Mr. Ma, what's the problem?
Oh, okay, so you know first too. This keke, I beg, how you take get am? Like, how you take?
What kind of question is that? Are you okay?
I see now. This is my keke. Now my keke be this. You don't mark what I give this keke. See the number. 22162.
Now crazy, they worry you. How can you just see my keke and you just jump over it?
No,
you are claiming ownership over my keke.
No vex too. I beg, where did you get this keke from? I beg. I'm just waiting for my passenger here. I think I wait for passenger. Okay, where you get this keke from?
What kind of question is that?
You are asking me this number. 22162. See the number. See how just where are you marking? Is there here?
Now who is the worry?
Now who is the worry who?
How can you just see my keke and you start claiming ownership over it? The grace, the why? They never born you well. Come, cow. Come drive this keke.
My keke was thank you. I don't see my keke. See my keke. See the own mark. My keke now. Hey,
let me see.
You do what this too. Don't get up.
Then I create the worry.
You the man.
I will carry my keke come out.
No,
they never born
your keke. I tell your keke.
They never born you well.
I get the keke.
You are born with my money.
You buy with your money. Your money don't go. Anyway, buy keke. Just for saying that tip. That's stolen keke. You
don't reach anything.
My keke was on the back of.
I beg them come out. They want for you.
I want for you.
You know, they never born you well.
You go the right place. Go judge this matter.
They never born you well. They know that the keke come out here. Keke why you don't buy? Why buy?
Okay, where you buy?
They never born you well. If you say you dey crazy,
you never know who you dey.
You're a thief. You stole my keke, right?
I bought it with my money and I paid for it.
You quiet!
I have the evidence.
You don't have any evidence.
When the time comes.
Will you keep quiet?
Quiet. When the time comes.
Stop making noise.
Your Majesty, these 2 young men brought a complaint before you. They are saying that...
Leave that for them to explain.
Your Majesty, this man stole my keke. My keke has been missing for 5 months now.
Your Majesty, may your days be long. That is a dirty lie from the pit of hell. I got that keke a week ago.
Young man, where did you get that from?
Alice sold it to me.
Hi, Alice! Hey! Alice!
Young man, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Because if we find out that you are not saying the truth, you'll be severely punished. I hope you know.
Your Majesty, we all know that this young man has never been in any trouble before. But for Alice, we all know her ceaseless schemes. She's ready to sell anything and ready to sell everything also.
Young man, you could have done your findings very well before buying anything from Alice, for that matter. Well, it is a pity. It's unfortunate that you're one of those that she has duped. I believe our king here can do something about it. Alice that can sell something that is not hers. Well, it's a pity. Yes.
Young man, it's very unfortunate that you fell for her trap. You would have looked very well or make your inquiries before buying anything. But notwithstanding, I shall send for her.
No, leave me away. No, you do they rap me. Are you a rapping shit? All the time you want to rap me. Why you they wonder me?
Wait, Mama, sing that song.
Yeah. Oh, so you they love the way they sing. Jet, you know one call me your Beyonce.
Beyonce.
Yes.
I sing for me now.
I love you.
So be that one.
Now the one when me I want to, you cannot be choosing song for artists to perform. You don't rap me, don't rap me.
I am asking for you. Love wanting to.
Hey,
love wanting.
Hello. You don't have hard work.
Which kind of nonsense? But why do you call my man like a dog? Eh?
You know, girl, I'm talking to you. You that look like me. And you know, girl, work, bushman. You are following my sister, Chimungon boy. You are following my sister up and down.
Come, Ebu. No insult me. No insult me.
Me, Ebu?
Yes.
Ebu that is feeding your family. Yeah. Ebu that is feeding you. Without me, think you will survive. Look at what you are wearing. Throw away slippers. Now what you they wear? This slipper now what you now use no use since last 2 years. Last 2 years. Now what you don't they wear? You know they change that. This top. I know when my mama buy and give you. Now my mama buy this top give you. She die. You see the wear. You they wear this top. You dey wear this top, this shirt now for mama burial they give you. You see the wear. You know mama burial. When they invite you, you say you no get clothes. Now so we buy and give you. May you come burial because you dey chop her food steady. May you no be say woman die, no come see her. Now they give you child away. As if you say mama when been dey feed you don't die. As my sister come now, you don't go fetch her. Make she continue for when mama stop. Now wetin make you dey go body for her?
But you be put there, that's house rat.
But maybe they feed you.
You people want you now.
The king wants to me.
You na?
No, Alice.
Yes, when you after they go, I ask you go continue to woe you. You not go see better thing. The king they find you. You know this time what you don't do.
Nothing.
I don't know. Please.
Yes.
Family.
Yes. He says I laugh you. Now so go continue to laugh your dad.
Suppose the vessel they carry me. I mean they feed you. I'll go collect that money, may you no go.
You come and they go.
Now go hide my go carry my money.
Now lie you. She go run. You don't come in.
Now move.
Not back, you shall be moved now. Now me let that. They go on the phone.
You even can work. King they find you, they can work for king. I see, yeah. You don't the miss. Yes, I knew it. See. Yeah.
What part now?
Now you never come back from that place. No, make you not come back. Wait now, wait. Leave me. I walk back. I call you this and you not go come back.
Leave her, come.
It makes you not come back so that me and you will go there this house happily. Happily ever after. I know be sing for you. I don't want to give a let.
We dance.
You are close to my Bluetooth. You are close to my Bluetooth. I know better I can feel for that. It's very close.
Oh God. Come on, babe. You've been due back. It's over 2 months ago. What's going on? Yeah, Sean is fine. He's right here with me. Do you want to speak to him? Okay, I'll give it to him. Hey, it's Krista.
Who's that?
Krista.
Oh. Okay. Hello. American girl, don't play. Sorry, I was eating before you got, so don't mind my voice. Listen, your voice have really changed, I swear. Look at the way you're sounding like big woman now.
Liar.
Boy, it's true now.
That's a lie.
See, I have just for you. Listen. Your friend is really missing you. I swear.
I'm not.
She's really crying about it. You're missing her.
I'm not missing you, baby.
Okay, there's no problem. There's no problem. Talk to you much later, right? Let me give her back the phone now. Okay. What of my guy Leo?
The last of Fala, people are still talking about it.
Your Majesty, you know who is here to see you.
You know who is here to see me?
Yes, sir.
Did he in any way tell you why he's here to see you?
No, my king.
I mean,
yes, my king.
That reminds me, my king. Have you spoken to your daughter lately?
No, I woke up to her missed calls, but I intend calling her back.
Please do.
I will. Did she call you?
No, she just crossed my mind.
Okay, I'll call her back.
I can't wait for her to come back.
No, she will. Let's go back to our discussion. Oh no, to what do I owe this unannounced visit?
Your Highness, sometimes you like doing things alone. Very typical of a king.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Your Majesty, you never mentioned it to me that you will start working on that land as fast as possible.
What land?
Your Highness, stop making things difficult. Nobody knows when you're even serious.
Oh no, please. I want you to be serious. What are you talking about?
Okay, Your Majesty. The land the governor gifted you.
The land? What about the land?
As I'm speaking to you now, some youth are clearing the land. And you never told me that the development will start as soon as possible, Your Highness.
What land? What project? Wait. What are you insinuating? That someone is encroaching on my land?
Your Highness, as we are speaking now, some strange youth are there clearing the land.
What?
So
No. No! I did not send anyone to that land. Guards! Guards!
Your Majesty, these are the number of times I did the transaction for the payment of the land. Your Majesty, I paid a whopping sum of 550,000 naira on that land.
Young man, where are the documents issued to you?
Your Majesty, my elders, the girl in question told me she lost her father and she needed money for her father's burial. And that's why she sold the land to me. That's all.
You amuse me. So you mean you can stand before our great king and tell him to his face that you bought his land? More insult on the injury. That payments were subsequently made on the said land? Based on empathy, pity, sentiments? You must be crazy.
In fact, you lack social intelligence.
My elders, Your Majesty, she told me she doesn't have any lawyer. She said I will not have any problem on that land because all her uncles are dead. And she even told me that she lost her father. That's why she sold the land to me. That's all.
Alice. You have said all that before. Young man, I'm not just disappointed at you, but amazed at the level of your naivety. Well, I forgive your ignorance. I will refund you every dime you have spent on that land. You see that land? It belongs to me. It was given to me by the governor of the state. The Council of Elders, they are aware of the project I will use that land for in the future. Send me your account number, I will refund you everything you've spent.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I will do just that. I really acknowledge you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Just forward that card number. Thank you, my elders. I will do that.
DPO, I want Alice and her cousin sister to be arrested with immediate effect until they refund all my money. Thank you.
Pushing my goat like that.
You don't know my mom.
Who the hell are you that will be pushing my gate? Why are you pushing my gate?
I'm not talk to my man like that.
Shift. Stop. See, one of the guys who with my friend now just called me and say the king won't arrest you and this talk. You won't arrest him now. So just come to go. Leave her, run the go. Leave her, run the go.
I cannot do without that. Let's go together. Go. I cannot leave. Alice, you need your sister. Oh, I want this party. Patrick. I think I'm going to collect that man for me. Let's see what they say. I want to go. problem with this one? What thing you don't go do again?
Which kind of question be that one? Which one waiting I don't see? Now me every day in danger. Maybe better than that.
Now let you dey danger. Eh? What thing will the thing we don't go do? Now how want to come up for this problem?
We will go pack our things.
Wait. Nobody we know outside this village. We don't know anybody outside. We won't go.
We will go pack our things. I go up. Let's say then I'm not doing
Alice, baby.
Not again. Not again. Are they ghosts or what? Always ahead of us. We have to go. Let's move.
Where are they? Okay, they come there now.
Where are you talking to? 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 An accomplice. Accomplice of what? You are under arrest. You remain in our custody. Let me be arrested. Wait. What did I do now? What did I do now? You are an accomplice. Accomplice of what now?
Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice, on your loibo. She be baby agent. Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No. She be baby agent. Alice, no dey play. Na hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find am for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money, the money alone, and she is too smart like smartphone. To get your money, she goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Potter.
I want to be this one now.
To get your money, even to talk to you, she goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tiger. Alicia, baby agent.
Waiting now. I want to draw trace for this place.
Waiting no be waiting. Eh? They don't arrest my boyfriend Patrick.
They arrest him, yes. Now he clear our debt. Now we will supposed to arrest. But as they don't arrest him, we will go.
Which kind of woman being you be? Eh? Which kind of woman being you be? No, I won't know. You don't even get conscience. You be Satan in human being form. And they tell you say they don't arrest my boyfriend. Please send way come to rescue us.
Two person they come. One person don't they see us now. They will go take him. What is they worry now? May we they go now? May we go? Okay, may we carry ourselves go give police person. May we go surrender ourselves to police. No, we go again. You know what?
Alice on your loibo. She be baby. Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No. She be baby agent. Alice no dey play. Na hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find am for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money alone, and she is too smart like smartphone. To get your money, she goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Potter. To collect your money, she goes smart. Even to talk to you, she goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tiger. Alicia baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alicia. Alice Onyolo Ibo. She be better. I'm out to shop with pass razor blade.
What is it?
What is it? You just carry me go. I don't know. Now you don't carry me come city now. We don't know where would they go. I don't dey strand.
You and who dey strand? Me, I know dey strand. Maybe now you dey strand. Where would they go?
Where would they go here? Eh? Since we come city now, we don't come waka every youngster. Now we dey for here. Front will not go, back will not go. Eh? You just are not dey strand.
You see those suffer who dey suffer for village. We no go suffer again for this city. As I enter city now, everywhere don't steal. Where would they go?
Everywhere don't steal. Everywhere don't steal with which rice? With which rice where they want to chop am? Eh? Now when we don't come city, house will not get, pot will not get, money will not get. It's everywhere.
Tell you say we no get house, we no get food. You know, so I tell you, sir, they think ahead of you. I don't plan all those things. Where will they go?
Oh, you dey buy house for sale. The one we will say for finish, now put us for trouble. Now you don't sell for city. I follow you go where I know. What's my borrow? I resist you. I resist you. I follow you go where I know. I resist my borrow. I resist you. I follow you go where I know.
Are you being serious right now? Or is this one of your funny jokes?
What joke? I'm serious. You and I like it last night.
Really? And you didn't tell me. How could you do this to me?
Oh, it's a surprise.
A surprise? Well, this is way more than a surprise. Do you know what? Hey, heart. Sure know how I'm coming to you immediately.
Don't worry. Your calling is there.
Oh, okay then. I'm waiting.
Hey, babe.
Yeah,
What's up? What's going on?
Babe, did you know Christabel and Leo landed?
Oh, that.
You knew?
I'm sorry I didn't tell you. She said she wanted it to be a surprise.
A surprise? You're supposed to freaking be my boyfriend. I mean, our best friends came back and you didn't.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I was just trying to. Why are you getting upset? Okay, I'm coming. See, babe. Listen.
Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice, Onyolo Ibo. She be baby agent. I'm out to shop, but pass razor blade. No. She be baby agent. Alice, no dey play. Na hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money, the money alone, and she is too smart like smartphone. Bye to get your money, she goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher, Jay to collect your money, she goes smart. Even to talk to you, she goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tiger. Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice, Onyolo Ibo. She be baby agent. I'm out to shop, but pass razor blade. No. She be baby agent.
No face. How you take find this place? How you think they know all these nkoro places?
You know, say me, I think ahead of you. I always die ahead of you. I know they like you now. I know better than you.
Anyway, the place, you know, to find like that. But at least you better pass a police station or even prison where me and you for day by now. So your brain need to go.
I find the place so that if all this kind of situation happen, we'll see where we will stay. At least for the meantime, yes. So, Alpha, go inside my mouth.
Now when we don't come this place now, what time we go take the job now? What thing we go do? What kind of job? What thing we go do?
So what kind of question is that? What's the question? Like, I don't even know. The truth be say, I not the one tell you to say, but the truth be say, you always ask a relevant question. Is it that I don't even know how me and you take the sisters? Because we know they think alike. You they think A, they think B. Why? You know, I don't know whether they ever use or think. You know they use her. Which one we use? Okay, the person will ask me now which food we go to chop. I will tell the chop. You I want to chop.
Or this which kind of insult be that now? Why you talk to me like that? I do bad thing to ask you go to chop because if you know what, we know the chop.
Oh, that's the answer your question. Now go walk. Now we go walk. What tell them how to the chop? We go walk to the chop now.
Now make a little which kind of year? Put them.
Our job.
I don't understand which one be our job. The same year when you when they don't pursue for feed, so we find where to stay. We don't come city. If they pursue us for here, when we won't come go.
No worry. She be them the handler. Go upgrade them. No be like village or go upgrade. Go level up. No worry.
And when you say level up how like waiting?
We go upgrade. I don't say you know go understand the English. And I don't know how I want to break them down. We go level up. We not be breaking down. But no, if you understand that one as well. So leave her for me. I want to laugh. No God, they give me a day.
This one when you say we go upgrade, I don't say this one nothing to do with it.
Her inspection fee no get refund. I listen on your loibo. How to do sharp pass result. She be baby. I listen no dey play. Hustle she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you.
Babe, where are you going?
Why are you asking me where I'm going to? You want me to leave, so since you wouldn't talk to me, so let me just go to my place, please.
Really? You at it again?
At what? You're the one who is acting weird. We had a little misunderstanding and the next thing you blank out on me. So what's the point of me staying here with you? Let me just go, I beg. Let me go. I'm tired.
Whoa! Who am I seeing?
My G!
I missed you! I swear, like, listen, yours is good on you.
I swear to God. So, where's your woman?
Immediately her people heard that she's in town, they asked her to come home immediately. So I'm not sure she will be here until the weekend.
Weekend?
Yes.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I told her you'd be mad if you heard it.
Of course she's mad.
I can understand that.
No, you don't. You don't. You have no idea. Like, you have no idea, but it's fine. I was on my way to my house before you showed up, so I think I'll see you pretty much later.
Hold on. Are you guys seriously having a squabble?
What am I going to say? Should I say yes or no? You know as usual now, so there's...
Come on, man. I just got here. Drop it already. Is this how you're welcoming me?
No vex. She's always acting like a weirdo, so... Listen, guys, you won't understand, but it's fine. Let me just go.
Yeah, go. Leave. That's what you're going to do. Go.
No problem. See, I'll catch up with you.
Man, I don't understand. What's going on?
No problem. I just gotta go. Alright? See you when Christopher comes around.
Sure.
Just take care of yourself.
And of course, cook for him.
You said you and Sean are having a fight. What's going on?
You're not supposed to tell her.
Then why did you tell me?
I was venting on you so I could feel better, not to have you tell her.
And what is wrong with him telling me? You need to talk things over with him. I mean, he's supposed to be here with us.
Well, the choice is placed over mine.
That is because you chased him away.
Is that what is feeling you?
My dear, you're my best friend, okay? So I know what you can do. By the way, Leo and I need an apartment somewhere in the heart of the town. And the apartment must be better than good.
I thought you guys were supposed to be in my place and chill. The four of us. What changed in America?
Nothing changed. Leo and I will get married soon. Have you forgotten that? So we need a place of our own. And you know Sean is always coming around here. So we also need our privacy.
At least you could still stay here till after the wedding.
We eventually stay in the place. Okay? And Sean is good at things like this.
What are you saying? Oh no, I ain't speaking to that dude.
You mean your boyfriend?
I mean, there could only be one shop.
You two just stop.
Stop what?
Stop it. That guy's annoying. Christabel and Leon lives in an apartment in the heart of the city.
Oh, I see. I was thinking you called to apologize.
Oh, Rob, will you?
Really? Adding salt to the injury. Very typical.
You're just being all petty, bro.
Bro! Wait, what exactly is your problem? Why are you getting on me, Claire? Anyway, it's fine, never mind. I'll just take my leave.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Tell me sorry again.
I'm sorry.
Again.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. Listen, I'll just introduce them to Baby Agent.
Baby what?
Baby Agent.
Who the fuck is Baby Agent?
I know you won't know.
Let's make sense.
Okay.
Baby Agent, I get you powerful land now waiting for ground when I won't sell. If you feel help me get buyer, I will really appreciate it.
So, like, how much are we looking at to sell it?
The money not there too much. The first one at 300k. But the one we dey very close to road, we get all the paparazzi. If I say 700k, I go.
No, I'll help you get clients. Buyers. I'll help you get people who will buy triple times.
You go get buyer for me.
I'm telling you. I don't feel like for you.
Triple the amount.
Triple the amount where you put there.
You know, see when my friend they give me gist about you. I tell her, say, I beg you go sit down. Why I tell her like that? Say, I don't give this land business to too many agents. Then Boku, story, nothing come out.
Give me my name.
Baby agent.
I resemble the other agents.
You this special.
I know resemble that. My own they stand good now. Let's not tell you not so easy. I don't be whining. I don't be whining people.
You do the whining.
I know you do that.
You see the elephant head when I send baby.
Yeah, thank you, boss. Thank you. I don't know sir. I know sir.
Then you are going to tell baby agents because now you do all the work.
I will shock you. I will change your story. I will change your story.
Baby agent.
Now I go finish something like
I beg.
Now I'm a busy person.
Yes, I know.
I don't need to be seen anyhow.
Okay.
Yes, let me go.
So I didn't lucky to even see you.
Yes. So I'll call you. I'll call you. I don't call twice. If I call once, I don't able to. That's all.
I dey tie my phone for my waist. I dey craze. Baby agent. They go get level. Agent will get swag.
At least you know they play. Now hustle she day. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money.
This one now, this one there, so that junction now, enter that road. Yes, enter that road now. You get one on that street where they get.
So the last one by the right, okay, by the right.
Get down that road, by the right side.
That man, the right. Okay. That one where they for back of it.
Get down that road. That is on a 5 bedroom.
You said it.
That's Onyema Street.
Oh, wait. The one where they by the right.
Yes, Onyema Street. That one where they after that police station.
I beg. Now you the baby agent. Bam. I did the right place. I don't make mistake. I beg, I did find a room and parlor. Very urgent.
They find a room and parlor.
Yes.
I got like 7 clients where they find that same room and parlor. And if you want my give you will just have to pay. You have to pay ahead of them. Inspection fee. Then I'll go and show you the place.
Oh, okay, no worry. How much be the inspection fee? 300,000.
Yes.
Only for inspection.
Yes.
Hi.
What I'm giving you better house. I'm giving you a very beneficial house that will fit your standard. I'm not giving you any house. I'm not like other agents.
Okay. Voila. I will pay. Just like that. Just like that. We like, it's Messi, for us.
Abi, I no tell you now. I tell you now. Which kind of nonsense be this? Ever since this small thing wey resemble ring light come here, our clients just dey comot for our hand. Viam. Anyone wey come, she go carry viam. Anyone wey come, she go carry viam. No client dey even look our face again. No be that one dey pay me pass.
The bill wey she dey big client, they go still do it.
I swear, that one dey pay me pass.
300 pa, they pay sharp.
Ordinary 100. How much we dey collect? Inspection fee, how much we dey collect?
Yesterday I put 50 for my own. Person even leave, no even pay 1 naira.
And the girl no put talking money.
Aris, see, Aris, nothing anybody go tell me. When they say define the grace of God, I go say, make una come see Aris, my sister. That means God waiting for above the sky. Now when you just enter this stuff, you don't dominate, you don't do things and things like your name everywhere. Baby again. I me.
I'm sorry, no. I know what a great enter. Every closed door must open. I swear to
you.
No, you just talk to me. Tell me I want table. I should take my hands now. No, they allow you to stay at home doing nothing. Tomorrow go start work with you. Go start with you. So be saying I go to work. We go there have the chopper. Monkey the work, babu the shop.
Hello? Just only. I just did now. No, immediately I see your girl, my body just tingle me. He said that. I was in What? No. In fact, we'll talk about it when I leave this place. Just my love. Jesus, now you run this miracle. I love you, man.
So, Patrick follow your intensity.
No, why you talk like that now? You know, when me come, he just call me for phone to give me the good news. He tell me talk say, Iko, don't release him. Say it's not a free man.
No, can't cry. And maybe it's go happen now. Say you don't read that
What kind of talk be that one now? No, if I don't know you to be my sister, I go talk say my see you be win through the fly far.
No, I don't want anything. I know anything at all that will deviate your mind from work. As you don't come this house now, you go maintain yourself. Anything that will drag my attention, my focus from my work. I don't want to talk to you like small pikin. Man, I'm not gonna control you. May you know where you dey. You don't get marks for you. May you know. Me and my day.
Aris, my sister, no fix you. Nah, jollof rice be that. That mean na cow tail, I mean na cow head.
No food for a lazy man.
Which kind of talk be that now? Say because you dey eat dry rice, we strong past stone from ice. Now you call me man. Don't call me man, I be complete woman. When you talk about woman, you talk about me. What do you mean by that?
No food for a lazy man.
It really tastes good, right? I really like it. Okay, so I reached out to baby agent. So the moment I told her your choice of location, she told me she already has something good in mind. Yeah.
Wow. This baby agent must be really good at her job.
And of course, she's the best, tested and trusted.
She's even helped Sean acquire a few apartments.
Really?
Perhaps she could be a good instrument in helping us secure land for the hospital.
What hospital?
You haven't told them yet.
It was meant to be a surprise, remember?
Crystal and surprises.
What? What's the surprise all about this time?
Well, since he has let the cat out of the bag, Leo and I are looking to build a hospital.
Really?
Wow, that's a great news.
Good news.
But for now, we are not sure of where the location will be. To be here or our hometown.
That's not a problem. Listen, wherever the location is, I'm 100% supporting you guys.
Thank you. I hope you guys are enjoying your meal.
Very well.
I think there's some more in the kitchen, right?
Yeah, sure.
Because
I better they call me ma. My name na Kate. Which one be mama? You don't say now.
I've sent it. Call the person and confirm whether he or she has received the money. Yes, I've sent it.
I don't call me man. I'm not gonna keep me title. This kind of thing they make me the face. My name na Kate.
Sorry.
Who want me come see your face like man? Your face supposed to be for blackboard, not the days and they write for primary school class.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Thank you. Only believe it.
Thank you, ma.
Very chance I go call the person.
Yes, ma. I've sent it.
Who want me come? Ma go kill you for that place. So don't you come up here.
Hello. See, let me tell you something. You see that little earthquake when I just drop for your bank account? I say make you use that one, bring down your temper. By the one big one go enter, Mahaba say you will be sick. What? Only thank you. No, you don't do that to me. I want you to tickle me. Let me know you are sweet. Yes, Nyang, tickle me, make I feel you. Give me joy. Don't do that, no. No, they tell me that one is sweet me. No, see, if you go tell me that thing again, I go just no. It's okay, I love you too. Oh, you call me back? Okay, I'll call you back too. Bye. I love you from my heart. That was a little token. Hey, Patrick, a very sweet man who take sweat for me from village. You don't pay where you did here.
So you see they give that mumu boy money.
Which kind of talk be that one now? Why will you talk to my man like that? Why do you call my man a mumu man? Why do you do that?
No, I asked a question. You're asking me another question. You see they give that man the one who they even pay me because of my money they give out. So now me they go to the store for the hustle. Monkey they work, but they chop. I go the hustle, they stress myself, they stress my morale. You go they carry the money, go they give man.
I go to call my man anyhow man now. At least me and you know say that one na my own. My personal man where they give me. Yeah.
How much? Since when don't they give the man money? How much should I give you?
They give me love and that is all I want. Man shall not live by.
See, man not tell you again, I beg. If I the work, not they touch my money. If you no want make it better for your own life, they give her your own money. Not they touch my money again. You hear me so? I never know what I want to tell you. Carry this to go to
Which one be this? Which kind of this thing be this one now? Why you carry the Lord choose some uniform? Come give me now. Eh? So now I go wear this thing now, carry person now, go show land. When the person go talk, say no, say I want preach gospel. Me not do my 10%, oh, my Abba see him. Which kind of Lord choose some? Oh, the right baby again. I must hear now. You told you go wear crowd now, go enter place, person go they say, and then Jesus say, when you give person land, you will receive your reward in heaven. I know only my reward there for heaven. When they collect my money physical, I was saying, that means in my hand when I carry for the Lord Jesus. Once I enter any land, 10% now shove it. My man.
Your Majesty, your silence over the apprehension of that girl for almost so long is increasingly disturbing.
Yes, Your Majesty. What have you decided to do about it?
I've long decided to let go, since they're no more here.
Your Majesty, you are a good king, we all know. A king that has the welfare of his people at heart. But for those two, they will never go unpunished for the crime they have committed.
Exactly. Because they can come in a fashion that none of us thinks.
They might be on the run, but they are not so far away.
Exactly.
My elders, I understand your plight, but I want to assure you that Alice and Kate can never be a boon to our truth. Meanwhile, Princess will join us very soon. She left to the city 2 days ago. She was with us.
Are you serious? Leo, my guy, I swear I'm really happy for you. I'm happy. You mean it? Okay, listen. Just calm down. Don't say much again, alright? I and Sandra were coming over to your place tomorrow. Leo, my man, don't say. I promise we're coming tomorrow, alright? So you guys should just get ready for us. We're coming to shut down. This is good news. Alright, no problem. See you then. Yeah, it's my guy. Babe, this is good news. Listen,
yeah, what's up?
we're going to Leo's tomorrow. Yeah, they are settled, so let's go see the new place.
Wow, I'm happy for them.
Of course, you should be happy. Baby agent got us covered.
Ah, right.
Okay, Junior, I think why not you go inside?
Man, this is good.
I told you, right? Look at the interior decor.
Aesthetically
wow.
pleasing.
And it's giving luxury, right?
I love it.
Because for celebration, I told you that baby agent or no other.
Baby, do you like it?
I'm so impressed.
Thank you.
Really beautiful.
Thank you.
So we are going to toast.
Yes. Alright. Let's take this.
Thank you.
We're toasting to long life.
Alright. Careful.
More connection.
Alright.
Careful.
Yeah, sure. I live here.
Be careful.
I got you.
Oh.
I got you. Okay. Okay. Alright. And
so
thank you.
I wasn't expecting it to be this fine.
Yeah. I told you that baby agent is the best. Guy, roll my own, give me a bit. I know what you're saying. Okay, guys, we cheers to long life.
Alright.
We cheers to more money.
Yes.
More connection.
Yes.
More mansions.
Yes.
More beauty. Okay. Cheers, baby girl. Alright, this is good news. I mean, the interior is giving luxury.
It's giving.
I mean, lots of money.
Amen.
Plenty mansions. And contracts.
Amen.
Okay, I'll buy one house for you.
Please,
I'm doing it. I'm serious. For your birthday gift. Trust me, you know it's enough.
What my 70K then?
Which can talk be that one now? Which one be 70,000? I want to concern 70,000 and 10,000 naira now. Because my only 10,000 naira now I carry from your money. Go give for POS. Me them, sorry, take buy medicine from chemist.
No, you can talk to me. You carry 10,000 naira, go give POS. Make them take transfer to chemist. How POS and the chemist take enter the matter now?
Because the medicine online delivery, like if you pay, they go bring them online, come to the chemist, you collect them, come back. I will know where size and buy rocks.
Wait, you go POS, withdraw money. Who you can't give them? To give the chemist for online.
The person will receive her.
You carry my money, go give Patrick. Wait, you carry my money, go give Patrick, Abby.
Which kind of insult be that one now?
You carry my money, go give Patrick.
What do you mean?
You carry my money, go give Patrick. Make this insult stop, oh. Make this insult stop. Not because I dey carry a lot. Make this insult stop, oh. Make it stop, oh.
God, I won't fix. But I know say you're angry. They tell me make I come there. Now me, they talk to the point you want make I use one hand and send you to your ancestor.
Slap me now. Slap me. If you want me to respect you, make you respect yourself. Slap me now.
I don't blame you. You don't wear danger gang now. Yeah, maternity leave. I see you. You wear maternity gang. Why you not go talk to me anyhow? See, finish then they enter. Now because me and you don't have the same roof now. Just give me little time. Make I get myself. I will come and leave you for a year. This all done the too much. You won't climb my head because of common 10,000 naira.
Not be 10,000. Now 70,000 make you know. Now 70,000. Man, no fine now. You go see her.
No, you won't slap me.
You know, I don't give you any money again.
Come and drop that your hand
for that money where you collect.
Which money?
I don't give you any money again. So that 70k complete.
All the work I do work for you. You don't compensate me before.
Which work you do?
Eh?
Which work?
I don't follow you go work. I don't go buy your work.
You don't only give me wahala. Which work you do?
I go rush you if you call me again. I go rush you.
Which work you do? Which work you do?
Stand up. See, it run. See, I just stand up. You move 3 steps ahead. You are very faster than your shadow. No, come and stand and talk to me. Now, yeah, enough here. Mami called me for.
If they pass something, go lost. If you keep something, they go relocate them. Look at them. Now look as come them they do. Them they look for enemies or to generate money. So if you follow Mungu, they go chop and clean them out. See them village terror.
You too fine. Hey, no vex. You dey find house?
Yes, I'm looking for 3-bedroom apartment.
That one no be problem now. Guy, that's your this thing. 3-bedroom apartment. You dey back up my doors here now. Which one? I be like. Who will dey find now? The one wey carry PVC or POP?
No. PVC is outdated now. POP. It will be better, yes. A clean house. And my budget is like from 500 to 700.
Make I tell you, anything wey you dey find and make we just go. Write paperwork instantly. You go your turn your own. Anything wey you get am. Even the one wey dey for Ogbogonogo, you get the one wey dey for Ogbogonogo. Even say na 2-bedroom flat, you get am. Babysitter, you get am. 1-bedroom flat, you get am. Everyone in dey fine. Make you calm down. Shebi, so make we just go inside go write paperwork now, so that you go just settle everything. You understand? Make we dey go now. But no, wait. We never tell you.
I'm sorry, which of you is baby agent? My friend recommended baby agent.
Oh, madam, sorry. Baby agent is not available at the moment. She went to show one urgent client an apartment. But we can help you. We are here to serve you.
See, sister, we fit help you.
She no dey.
We fit help you. We dey reliable. We fit see anyone wey you want. We fit help you find out.
Which one she wants? Which apartment?
Na 3-bedroom apartment.
I get you one for back of NTA.
I get one for DS.
It's okay. I will come back later.
Madam.
4, 5 should be back.
She fit not come back.
Madam, you go like this one, no POP, steady light, everything there. You go like her.
I need baby agent. I'll come back.
Wetin dey vex me na that small thing wey resemble ring light na him dey do all this thing give us. He don collect all our agents. Money no dey even dey our hand again. Wait o, e be like say she dey do something. Na wetin mama dey tell me. She go dey do something.
She don go wash hand. I dey support that girl. I dey support that girl.
I dey tell you.
I beg, I don't come on here. I don't, you know, go do something about this girl.
Guys, I don't know what you want to think. I dey think many things, so I get plan.
See them village terror.
Guy, it be like see this girl they rub something for mouth. She rub since when this girl come here, you know they connect all our plans. Yes now.
Look at them, now look as come them they do. Them for any to generate money. So if you fall from good, they go drop and clean them out.
This place is fine. But why the thief everywhere?
No, once you pack in, you go come out like the person will live there before. 9 bodies, but once you pack in, you come out. I don't know the problem.
Don't
the key no there. Ma call the person where go the key.
Eh? The key no there. Where you come?
Ma call the person. No worry. Now no people. Just relax. Just come there. No take time.
Okay, I beg because I won't go somewhere.
Hello? That house right there, close to that mommy market. That upper duplex. Come give me the key. Come and there they wait me enter. What can I expect the house? Come give me the key. Come give me the key. No one wait at the wait. Do fast. They come out now.
But all people are not much in the compound.
Let me tell you. You tell me what you need. I especially bring this up for you. No worry, just come down. You like them.
Okay.
You don't even come. My people know they waste time. See me that. My people know they waste time. You know that, sir. I can see some of the house. Now I call them. Papa, the key. The key to the house.
And you know that with me now?
You know that with you?
Yes, you know take the key.
No, now who there with the key?
Wait, make I call Bobo.
Okay. I know that's what did happen for you.
Hello? Yes, Papa. Yes, come for street now. Come give me key for the other house.
Don't let them close to that mama market.
Yes, don't let them close to that mama market. I beg, come with the key first. Then and then the wait. Okay. Okay, see. Okay, no, you're up. No, I'm not here. Like no vex.
You not steal the key.
They bring the key now.
Maybe that the person will show me. Let me can show you.
Another person see.
No worry. Come. Tell me.
You know my friend recommended you. That was the reason why I was.
Now maybe the best one. No worry. Oh my now. She don't know.
You wait for my boss. I beg. I want to give somebody something.
Who is this one?
Okay.
After.
Hey, where is the key?
You not come with.
I now rush now. Now for you. Keep away now.
Which kind of thing they use me to play for you? I don't understand. You say you people will bring the people come and I don't understand what's happening here.
Now you show up.
Hey, but what's in the house now? What's in the house now? Now, take it and hold the key now. Wait. You are but no bed now. Find out. What's in your own now?
So let's talk about Leo and I were getting married on flight in Nigeria. How was it going?
Well, Leo and I have decided to take things slow with this wedding thing.
Really? Yes, you rang the bell right from America, as though the whole was gonna fall or stand still the moment you guys touched down. Well, anyways, I believe you to know what you're doing.
You must know, Leo and I have decided to get our hospital up and running before the wedding.
What? Building an hospital means building from scratch, right?
I know.
Like, you've not even found the land yet. Foundation has not even been laid. Why don't you put your mind on the line over some hospital facility?
Come on. Don't be so weird. Leo is not in a haste, so why should I?
You two are unbelievable.
I know. It's not that serious, please.
Whatever.
Chichi, see, God now go punish you. you no go die well. So because of you, I think, see, because of you, all these agboro don't carry my bag run. If no be say God dey by my side, my phone do not see my phone collect. Because of him, I lost my bag. If I don't see if I don't see you in the next, in fact, just come here now, come carry me come on here now. I don't want to hear anything. Don't tell me that. I don't want to hear anything. Just come and carry me out of here now. Hey, go. Amade will strike you to death. Which ain't nonsense be that one? Show and rubbish where they talk.
Madam, I don't tell you this thing before. Be like they forget. Even if you want to buy land for America, baby agent got you covered.
We trust you. Our baddest plug. Don't worry, just when my friend is enjoying the apartment you got her, I believe we're going to get a befitting land for a hospital. You know what, baby agent? I'll talk to you later, okay? Thank you. Now you've heard her.
Yeah, I have. I just pray that she keeps to her word.
Definitely. I trust her. She's very good.
What do I offer you?
Tell me not to check again. There you go. I want to get something here. My bag, I don't even carry collect my phone. In fact, I don't tire me. I'm big.
Yeah, they told us they've got some apartment that need to check out. Hey, what's going on?
Babe, I need to be at the hospital right now.
Why? Dr. Chike is supposed to be on duty today.
Yeah, but he called in sick.
What?
Boy, babe, don't worry. I got this, okay?
But baby, I think you're forgetting you're supposed to see baby agent today.
Oh, I know, babe. I've not forgotten. Please, can you handle this for us? Please. Don't say no, please. Whatever it is, just keep me updated, please. I need to go now. Love you, baby. Take care of yourself, okay? See ya!
If they pass something, go lost. If you keep something, they go relocate them. Look at them. Now look as come them they do. Them they look for enemies how to generate money. So if you follow Mugu, they go chop and clean them out.
Hello. Why you leave me here like that? Which kind of thing is this one? No, do it. Police. How? What did you do? I don't understand. You're keeping me silent. Now talk, man. What did they happen? I've been worried since. Okay, see. Just calm down. Stop crying. Just tell me everything. What is it? If they can't explain it to me, just what will happen, what will you do, what will do, let me know. Police?
It seems you're still trying to reach baby agent.
Like I've been trying to call the baby or whatever she's called. I mean, her number wouldn't just connect. Are you sure we're not going to find someone else for this job?
Relax now. You never reach like that. Alright, see.
baby agent will pick up. I just think something is wrong, so just give her time.
Sean, soon enough, Christopher will start putting on the pressure on me. I mean, she's already asking too many questions.
I understand, but I still say you should calm down. See, this girl will deliver. I know her. Calm down. Listen, this is what she's known for. So you don't need to worry yourself. Calm down. She will deliver.
The level of faith you have in this girl, I mean, it's quite unnerving.
Abi?
Yes.
That's because she's good at her job. And trust me, she's tested and trusted. So calm down. She will deliver.
My call.
No, they keep straight face. I don't understand. Relax. I know she's a couple.
I beg you not vex for me. I be get no issue like that. But I just come out. Just give me like 45 minutes, I beg. I go there with na.
Alright, there's no problem, baby agent, alright? I trust you. I trust you, no issues. Yeah, I told you something was wrong.
So why didn't she communicate on time?
Probably the situation was beyond her control. Moreover, you heard her voice here. I don't know.
Well, if she doesn't call back in 15 minutes, she shouldn't bother again. I mean...
Oh God, calm down now. You never reach like this. This baby agent was actually the person who got you this finance.
Do I care?
Calm down. If she fit do this one, definitely she will do this next one. Alright? So calm down.
You don't understand it. Christabel is mounting pressure already. I mean...
Can you just calm down?
I am calm.
Now Nigeria be this.
Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice, on your loibo. She be baby agent. Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No, she be baby agent. Alice, no they play. Now hustle she day. No house too far for Alice. Find out for you, yeah. Her eyes on the money alone, and she is too smart to like smart people. Buy to get your money, she goes even to talk, she goes talk. If money come out, Alicia Butter, Jay to collect money, she goes even to talk. She goes talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tiger. Alice, baby agent, she be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get it.
Why you enter that road? Just another way I see me, you go now, be that now.
Yeah, ring light, you know what's up? You know.
Just I want to know.
She don't know where she do.
Wait, not true. Wait, driver now. Not the place they go now.
If I be a kind of place, we not go shut up, eh? 3 months now you don't get for this agent work. Now you collect our client English, Abi. So you think so we go look you. If I yarn you 5 alive from out, oh God, just they go.
Make her come down now.
Come down where? Now when they carry you go where you want to stop. Wait, even like you don't know see like it never you don't know.
Driver.
They go the same place.
I don't come down.
Where you see green light. You see all that money wey you collect from our clients, you go vomit all of them today. Hear me? I no wan hear him. If I hear him, I go use this thing start this your teeth. Hear me? Just relax. Just that's the way you go cross what you collect from small agent did it. I didn't tell you say this girl wrote something. Now let us say the lie. Make I hear you. Yeah, ring light. If you don't transfer that money from your account, put for that account, I go to you no good. Come on, transfer that money to that account or see so. As I see man, do fast, everything fast. You do it fast.
I beg now the money where they this account na my landlord money. If I send that now, let someone come.
On your own case. You hear me? See, make I tell you. If you not transfer fast, I go choke your neck. Oh yeah, transfer that money. I go get you now. I go get them out.
No,
Madam, they do this now, see so.
You don't pay him. My call am.
Yes.
Call the account.
Oba transfer.
Call am.
Please, abeg, comot your head from my street.
This thing get mad. I go now. Transfer the money. Why they waste time now?
Exactly. 2, 4. 3, 3. 28. Enter like that. Drop am.
Carry mouth like BBL. Any customer will come, any client will come, you could just collect viam. Now only you submit.
Don't do am, abi?
Madam, did you fast?
You don't do am?
Yes, money dey load. Yes, successful.
Sent. You know see am now as you don't do am. I chop, you chop. Your mind go sweet, my mind go sweet. Small agent when me and you just start. 3 months now you don't take. You don't collect client for our hand. No be so now.
Yeah, ring light.
Eh? No wahala now.
Your sense no tell you say on how you enter area, on how you enter street. You go first ask question.
No ma.
You supposed ask question first. Make you know how things dey.
Oh yeah, the match. The match also is see,
smile.
don't look back.
They smile.
You hear me?
They smile.
Just the smile they go.
Smile.
If you don't transfer that money from your account to that account, I go to transfer that money to that account or see some. As I see man, do fast, everything fast. You do that fast.
I beg na the money wey dey this account na my landlord money. If I send that na, wetin I wan call you?
On your own case. You dey hear me? See, make I tell you, if you not transfer fast, I go chop your neck. Oya, transfer fast.
I go shake you now. I go shake you now. Madam, they do this now, see so.
You don't pay him. My call am. Call the account.
Oba transfer.
Call am.
This thing get mad. I go now. Transfer the money. Why you waste time now?
Exactly. 2, 4. 3, 3. 28. Enter like that. Drop am.
Carry mouth like BBL. Any customer will come, any client will come, you could just collect viam.
Now laugh at the laugh. Because all this one when I be here now, you dey give me like film. You dey sound like film for my ear. So like this, my money don't go. Now with this one I dey hear now, say my money now don't go like this. Hey, it's not possible. My money will come out. My money will come out. That my money so it will come back to me. Wait, make I even ask you. These boys when you say they collect my money for you, who they be? When they say, when you tell me now say they attack you collect money, now who they be? Eh? You know they talk.
How far, nigga man? Yeah, now. Transfer my own court now. What did happen?
You no get sense. Nah, yeah. What we reach?
Bro, they here transfer my money. What did they saw?
I'm on the road for safety.
Transfer the money.
No wahala now. Make I do it for you.
Why you dey waste time now?
I don't understand. Maybe na network carry come and check her.
Bro.
Nothing dey my account oh.
See, make I clear you. For where they come from, nothing like Tales by Moonlight. Transfer my money. See, I go deaf you. What did happen now?
Never reach like that. No be me and you dey here. Look am. Make I show you again now.
Now me and you dey here. Confirm the money. Tell the girl make she dey waka comot. Transfer my money now. What did
I'm not confirm I just only tell her say no, make she dey go. I know say she don do am successful now. I check my phone. Wait. No be wetin I dey see be this. Look am now. Not me and you dey. Now my phone be this. 22332800. Na my account number be that one now. See am na nothing dey here. UBA. See am. Wait. Make it not be say this girl do us fake a lot. Meso. Hey. Wait. Oh. You won't tell me say ring light. You won't tell me say that small demon. That small demon play. He get my play us. Meso. See, no be say. The only thing when they pay me now be say, as she small rich, use us do yahoo. Send us fake alert, fake transfer. Wetin dey vex me? No be say them play me o. Wetin dey vex me now? Who play me? It can't be ring light.
Yes, I'm still at Christabel's and News. Yeah, we're waiting for baby agent to pick up our calls. Alright, sure. See ya. I love you. Okay.
Look, bro, if in the next 30 minutes she doesn't call, we will just have to...
She's calling already. Calm down. Your blood's in the hot. Hello, baby agent. Start coming now. We've been waiting here. Okay, I beg, sharp. They come, I beg. No problem. Alright. See you much later. I told you she will call. So calm down. Your blood's in the hot. Yeah. See, this is Nigeria. Just calm down, eh? She will deliver, relax. Eh?
Babe, see, make I tell you, I know they happy with you. If I don't see you here, if you don't come here, I don't care. I will enter the next available night boat, go back village. You carry me keep here as Tom and Jerry or wait. You just carry me keep here. Come, what thing they saw? What thing they happen? That will not be your business. If I don't see you here, I don't come out here. It's sad. As I talk to you now, Mama is no good. And I tell you this thing now. If I don't see you here now, I don't come out here.
I don't understand why you talk like this. If I don't go, how?
Reverse for you. Carry me all the way from village, come city there. Get my lock me inside one room. Which kind of love be that one? Even if I goat.
If I love you now because I try to protect my property now. No faith. I tell you say I've been getting small wahala now.
Which kind of wahala will you go get? All because of Alice. Why you say that choco million they fall inside the trap which she said? Why you say no lady always fall inside the trap?
Patrick, I know say I rough you, but not call my sister choco million. Why you reduce her height past the one way don't they battle with? Why do you do that? Why you call her choco million now?
Why you say she need to enter the trap which she set? Why you go be person why love? Why you say like you? Why go be you?
You don't do now. I tell you, see that my sister, what you see. I don't know whether the day when my mama born for labor room, whether she be the sharp, saying so. Because the kind of sense that my sister get, you never see person who get that sense before.
Oh, getting me angry the more. Which kind of stupid sense be that one? Which kind of year sense? Which kind of year sense be that one? Sense which she need if you carry do anything. Sense which she deceive you. Which kind of sense be that one?
You don't do now. See the way they fix, they fabric, they talk. Even their stomach, they push me like a apostolic band within the neck for Sunday service. But it's not good. Calm down.
They tell me make I calm down.
Calm down.
You see what that Guinness month they cost for you. They tell me make I calm down. So all the thing where you will learn from that girl and this stupid sex when you collect from that girl. You see what they open your mouth, they talk.
And you can use I learn only stupid things. All the money why they send for you, where you think say they get them from. Now from that I sense too.
I'm not saying they try, but sometimes I need your attention. No, they carry that midget, they come in between us. I need your own attention. Who should be when she will cause all this problem for me and you like this?
I say you don't do now. You don't do, you can't be talk past woman. You don't do. How can a man get a funnel mouth like this? It's not good now. What do you expect me a woman to do? Lolly, my bitter leaf. It's okay, sorry man. You don't even give me hope. You don't even make me feel irate as I go. No, I don't fix. No, I don't fix. You know go better for some menses for this life. You see some menses, some men no go see even when they do fraud, when they do yajawu.
See the kind thing what happened to me now. I swear any man we go enter heaven, their heaven a few ones. Very wicked yenda.
Thank God.
So all the money now when I work for everything don't go like that. What thing happened? Why they laugh?
Why they laugh? I want to laugh. Not be good news. I don't laugh. Yeah. Stay me like this. I lose money. Hey, go stay. Maybe I don't die before that can't go up. Look at my debt and my spirits. We like money. We lose money. Don't want. You know that time. You know that time we will come this afternoon.
Yes, I remember.
Baby agent, her inspection fee no get refund. Hey, Alice on your loibo. I'm out to shop pass razor blade.
So the other day I asked you to talk about your friend when they do fake alerts.
So I ask again, what can I do for you? Please, Oliver, I don't have time.
I want to do. I'm interested.
I don't understand. You think I'm here for children things?
No, I'm not doing children things. Yeah, okay, how much is it I'll pay?
Okay, $500,000.
Half a million?
Yes.
What's $500,000?
500K.
It's too much. But I'll pay. Please now. Let's price. Let's negotiate.
I don't have time.
I know. Oh yeah, how much last?
200K or nothing.
200, I'll do it.
Are you the cash?
No, I'll do that. Let the point now. Let the point now.
Hear me. So all that money where you send, all of them na fake alert.
Never understand. I need to do it for here. That's business. That's what? Business.
Hey! You know, be better person after you go talk, say me and you will be the same brother, you be my sister. You know, give me update.
What I want to give update to you? Even like this, I'll give you updates. Make you catch them. Person will go give you, them might give you one time update and let that person not say go sleep for prison. I swear to God.
No, I beg. Okay, see, just this me, you see, use me as your practical instrument. Just use me, just teach me how to do this fake around. I promise I no fear if I open your secret.
You sabi to transfer?
Yes, I've been the same money give man.
You sabi count money?
I have been the go market, go buy something.
The only business where I fit teach you now, now to, for you, for the same money they give your man. Or, how you gonna go church? Maybe they do you deliverance. How you gonna ask for deliverance? You know, something ask. Touch your everybody. Yeah, you! My name is Sapet. Now all those kind of things, they can't be go.
No, come out with your full chest now and tell me to yourself who separate. No, tell me sir, who separate.
If you see somebody, you know the kind of business that fit them. You know that in this city now, before you can make money, you have to open your eyes wide. You will not have open eye for real life. I want to open eye for business. For real life, your idea like this. I want to open up for business. No, no go work now. Don't be every happy to do business. Go get practical heart. Like this, go do. So that the little something, you know, enter. That's the point now.
There's an emergency at the hospital. I need to be there right now.
You're not supposed to be at work today. What about Dr. Charles?
He called in sick.
Babe, you took a full shift last week. I mean,
it's okay. I love you.
Babe, you're forgetting we're supposed to go with baby agent to see the land. Today.
I've not forgotten, babe. But I need to go now, okay? Love you. I'll see you later, okay? Take care of yourself.
Hello. Why you dey talk like this now? You come to talk like say you don't get a separate of God in you. Why do you do that? I tell you, say I don't say little thing for you make you manage. I go find way come see you. You say what? Wait. No, carry mouth where they take collect communion for church, take talk that kind thing. Now you know good if I know. I
Why you go talk like that? See, make I tell if you go carry another woman, Mama say, me and you will go ride you. Cause I no go agree. I tell you, say, come there. Okay, make area yours screen. I go find where yours appear. Mbok now, no fix that big. Mbok, I rough you now. You know, say now you be the rough of my life. Mbok, just come there. Little time. Okay, no problem.
So you talk to Patrick again.
What will be your problem? Eh? What will be your problem? Why you behave like monitoring separate? I also not be here take sweep for me when they monitor my movement because Mama see if now what thing I think you know go like yourself. This one is semi rule. What nonsense?
Voila. I'm gonna go village. No go back village. Na my house go come day. No go back village.
Eh, I beg no face. What you won't go do for finish?
Yeah, you go see Patrick. Come on, my house. No go village.
But with me dey for finish.
Wait. Only waiting at the table. Wait, you invite Patrick City.
She's in there around. My sister no fix now. You know say my Patrick then they make me make her fit the piece straight. I rough am. Just imagine say I go piece now the piece they come out sat. They scatter. You know go dey organize.
Dennis, welcome.
Thank you so much. Ted. Thank you.
Yeah. How was work today?
Well, tired. How did it go?
Baby, you won't believe it. That place is so beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Did you take pictures and videos?
Of course, I took more than enough.
Oh my god.
This place
is so beautiful.
Okay.
And it's just by the road.
And just like you want it.
That lady is something else.
Baby agent surely knows our work.
Aris, I don't know what the way you are calling this million, 350 million. He did I say na big money. Because the thing don't they make you like person where the head don't they pass.
What do you mean by you think I say na big money? Wait, big there like you don't know what to do 50 million. That's why you dumb rich.
No, I not be dumb. I be you don't know your sister.
You don't know what to be telling Jesus Christ. You didn't whine me. I mean, you talk true. 50 million, I don't say you go change your life. 50 million now. You count 50 million, 50 million, 50 million, 50 million, 50. Ah!
I don't know, but is the money like, is it big? Is it like a big heavy? Is it going to change life?
It will change our life.
Yeah.
No poor again. That 50 million. It will change our life. You know, we will not go poor again. I know what's happening. Come.
Make I ask you, what do you even they call me, sir? What do you think I be to you? You see me like mumu? Eh? Just look me from my head to my toe. Now what did I be to you? How you think they even they see me, sir? You they see me like mumu? Eh? You see me like fool and you will tear my for face. We don't know you left from me, right? Okay, I be Mugu. Now Mugu now they take me to be. You get mind! No boy street with fake alert. Come lie give me. You still get the liver to come my house. You can't be buga. I am sorry. Then I go pretend I say I don't know what you do. Then I go forgive you, Abi.
Service. Okay, landlord. I swear to God, that is very sorry. I swear. Now, not be only the 350k I can't give you. I carry one strong business deal. If you say this one work out, all of us will come millionaire.
Everywhere go steal.
Everywhere go stop.
They don't come again. Diarrhea of the mouth. You don't dey punch for mouth. You think that the one way you do before when you run me street, you don't carry on come again, abi? It not go work. Today one I come here so that 350k one I run me street put, una go pay that money before I come from here. Now they shake your head like lizard. You go pay me that money today.
Yes, sir.
So the deal wey you carry come now wetin come with the deal? Make I even hear wetin you wan talk. Wetin dey the deal? Wetin dey follow come?
Listen, my papa don die. Yes. So my uncle wan sell the land. We don see buyer. The buyer wan buy am 350 million. Now the only problem there be say we dey find person wey go come stand in as our father.
Wait. Land dey wey worth 350 million one and one sell.
Now we bring them the price, so now that kind 500 million, we know they agree.
Just see me in person pay 350 million.
He can stay like my papa.
So if I can't stand now as your father now we get the land like this now. Now wetin come be my share? Now that one dey concern me. No, I know about this one that they talk. How many people get land where they want sell? Now wetin be my share? How they talk?
That thing dey close to my face. You won't bring them.
If I take and cut your eye, make you collect your share. Not be too often run me street. You not chop out of the money. Make I take and put for inside your own eye self.
I face this one, not my eyes. Eyes.
So make you answer wetin my court.
50 million.
So 50 million can't be anything. I want more than 50 million now. Now that I come they take out the total, leave me for face. How much be 50 M? Make una stand up. Make una stand up. Stand up first. Stand up. I get interested. Stand up.
Yes or no?
I get interest. I say make una stand up. Una don't talk wetin go sweet me now. Make una stand up.
My pride won't kill you, but don't talk as this now. Hey.
Make I tell you, baby agent. Una don't see me finish, oh. Now no, they take the crack jokes like this. Now don't see me finish.
No, carry on,
come on, stay for where you go. Make una calm down. We never reach quarrel. I get interest for the business.
When you get interest, you can't carry your shoulder up like say then push shoulder part for your clothes. At least business like this supposed to give us smart, you know, things and things, roasted turkey. But we know we don't live by things of the world now.
We don't live for things of the spirit. Not the things of the world, man. The one I don't run the street already.
So you do abi?
I get interest, not one eye for me. I dey do all this thing not because of the money one I won't give me. I big pass for that one. I be
want to work with somebody that will do this willingly.
We no get
I get the willingness to do am. Calm down. Look like that. See, this business, we no go fit do this business make it work as we dey think am. For us to do this business, make the money come out, make it dey legit. We need lawyer. We need
lawyer for wetin? Now we get business and they give us idea. We need lawyer. What do you need lawyer? But you have to carry our business.
I don't understand what you dey talk. If you dey buy something, you know, na business we dey talk. So you know how much you call now? 350 million, no be 350,000, no. No be 3,500.
How much you have lawyer?
You get person when one carry.
I get person when I go call.
How much?
Make wait. When I go first transfer me my 350k first. If that one come, then I go transfer another 150,000 naira when I go.
That one na sure na. Your 350 na sure go pay am. That's why that 300 million back I no fit pay 350.
You know the big dream now. This man need a dream big. More they go. I don't tell you. More go give another person.
Wait. Now 150,000 I will give the lawyer.
150,000 for church and pay lawyer. You know they get yourself now. This.
You not see your mouth. You come my house, you still come to insult me. Una they owe me money. Una still come to insult me. Eh? The school when you go that school. The English when you speak, you think that.
School where you go, I no go. Where the school land down?
For church and pay.
Where they church and pay?
Short time work.
Make una send 150,000 naira inside my account now. Make her the year.
If you don't give her money, no chop or something, you know.
Send her now. Make her the year to.
We'll send that. That money is in your account. They will send that. So come give us our own money, take your 15 million.
Wait, the 350 million, that's my account. Yes, sir. I will give you an own share.
Hey, Okalan, hope say no be student account you dey use. I no one year in about 5,000.
Don't insult me again. You see, first we get this car house, I will run student account with bank. I get I didn't even collect 1 billion for inside my account.
Inspection fee, no
wait, now make I give you account number, make you send the
I'm out to do sharp, but pass razor blending on she be baby. At least you know they play. Now hustle she day. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money, and money alone. And she is too smart to like smarty for no. To get your money, she goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher.
What is it? I'm just feeling somehow about this whole thing. Do you think we're rushing things?
Rushing things? Come on, babe. I mean, we're on the right track. You need not to worry yourself about anything, right?
I know.
I understand you, right? Don't worry. We've got this. The land is worth it.
Are you sure about this?
I am very sure. 100%.
If you say so, I need to pay for the land as soon as possible.
Yes.
Before she rises up or gives it to a higher bidder.
I understand. We'll pay and as soon as possible.
Thank you so much, babe. Thank you for all your efforts. So that I'm done without you.
It be like, you know, they get yourself. What did they even do yourself? What did they do you? Remember saying I made the house for 2 of us. What did they do you?
Which kind of nonsense talk is that one?
For poverty. You know how come out for poverty, they do poverty.
Oh, okay, then do me do poverty. Now yourself it is cause in fact back to send that you will not fear. That's no go better for you, even if you
go better for back to send that to you.
We can nonsense talk that.
I mean they order for you, no they cost me like that.
You could open your money, got 350 million naira. That's small money.
You know what that money be? Now because I tell you, you know what it be before? You know the shame. Big girl like you don't know what 350 million be.
No, you do, you know the shame. Small big girl like you, but you think what in big pass you.
I know they think what in pass me. I won't come up for poverty. No be say me and you go. I don't be dumb person like you. I don't be person who don't get sense like you. No be more say everybody go mumu like you.
Hey, the mumu where you mumu and the sense where you can not make them purchase come up for finish.
I don't understand you. I don't understand what you they talk. They swear poverty give you. No, they do your poverty.
Now you then do. Now you then do. You will not fail. Now you then do. Which kind of nonsense? But I go carry poverty. Can't give me. If you just say they swear for me, if make I rich, you know go better. Which kind of sister you be know me of progress? You where they call that money 350 million naira. How is sample ya? Yeah, they like earthquake. You know
what that money be? If no be say I tell you, you know what it be? Big girl like you don't know money. You don't know what 350 million be. If no be say I tell you, you go know. If they insult me. If they insult, on top say they live for my house. If they insult the destiny helper, you don't forget that I fit them make you pack and come up for this house. Shebi you know.
You get house.
If I don't want to work, you go chop.
You get house. You get house. Not the house where around or every day go come the knock. We don't even sleep with our house.
When you show me your own house, Masina. Show me your house. Like just what they put. Show me your own house. Show me your insult the destiny helper. Not try nonsense again. Everybody don't go mumu like you.
You don't go mumu like me, but the mumu where you mumu now put up for problem.
Everybody don't go mumu like you.
The mumu where you mumu now put up for problem.
Where your mind
You will not fear.
Where your mind dey? No tell me what I will do with my own money.
Okay, now this thing now where you do now. If you go put us for problem, how we go take comment?
You don't consign me. Let everybody fight for themselves. I go fight for myself. If that money enter, I go do visa. So I go come out for this country.
You won't carry me come on. So what will happen to my Patrick? I know they follow you go anywhere. Now me and Patrick now we go there.
And Patrick there now. I go know whether they bury on a placenta together. Make sure of that. I never see any person where they order for sister like the way they do. Person go see me go sister they benefit something for. No, so like just sister blood.
What be that thing where you call abracenta? What be that? Them bury. We never die now. Why you talk burial? You won't kill me because of 350 million. You don't see as you did, and you don't show me say you be human beings. No, I don't see the signal. We never see money, you don't dey plan my
Now you suppose they also for me. Should you know? Now you suppose they also for me. But now me they also for you. On top of self, they insult me every time. You could use me they play, they throw me like gun.
I'm not sweating now. I swear to say you be God. Say you be God on top 350 million no we never see.
If you want to stay with her, I go come out.
Hey, go, I go stay with her. I no go follow you. Who are you? Now why you no get man be that? Now why you no get man? No man will want you. Yes, yes. Hey, kanyong. Adiyo no so, adiyo no ka. Avodo ke minkwai kwambenga. Adiyo no so, adiyo no ka. You won't come carry me leave man where they hate me. I will not fear. I will never remain single. The Bible says go into the world and multiply. And they follow the Bible. That is why I want to go into the world and multiply. I will not fear because don't carry me leave party so that I may go use corner. I see your plan there. I know what you are planning, but it will not work. Jesus, flesh and blood did not reveal this one to me. Now only spirit. I tell me my sister won't carry my man. Jesus, you do this one. You're a miracle God. What God cannot reveal does not resist.
No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money, the money alone. Babe. And she is too smart to like smarty.
Baby, agent is calling. We need to pick her up.
Even to talk, she go sweet up. If money come out, Alicia butter. Jay, to collect your money.
Babe, what's going on?
I'm right behind you, babe. Alice go turn tiger. Alice, baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get it refund.
Let's go. Babe, I'm so sorry. You have to do this again without me. I gotta go, babe.
You gotta go where? I don't understand.
I have to be there ASAP. I can't possibly ask you to cover up for me.
Wait, I thought we agreed to ask Dr. Charles to cover up for you.
Yeah, he refused. And now your uncle has been calling me. I have to go, babe. Oh, please, send me pictures and videos. And make sure that the documents are properly signed and legit, okay? I love you, babe. Come here. Oh. Babe. You shorts, okay? Bye, babe.
I can't believe she's putting this on me again. I mean, why would Dr. Charles not... Babe, we always gladly take his shift. Why is he not covering up for you now?
Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice, on your loibo. She be baby agent. Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No, she be baby agent. Alice, no they play. Na hustle she day. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money alone. And she is too smart to like smartphone. I to get your money, she goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia butter. Jay, to collect your money, she goes smart. Even to talk to you, she goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tiger. Alice, baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee, no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alice, on your loibo. She be baby agent. Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No, she be baby agent. Alice, no they play. Na hustle she day. No house too far for her.
Hey, my you.
I'm safe.
Very good. Well, Mary, why? Carry your code, come back, a code of many colors. Which one you have to pass forward like that?
What's here? What will be the problem?
Listen now, don't finish now.
As D don't come complain and I for here now you won't book the share money. We not go office.
Hey, you go explain them. When you just the fast forward as if then the fast.
You know say your mouth to the sharp.
Where they go now?
Barrister, let's go.
You
see Barrister.
That barrister put this everything 50 down. Put inside the go then sharp.
No get a refund.
Now why you in the hurry? One just more hurry up.
I'm out to sharp, but pass razor blade. She be at least you know they play.
Baby. Why is your face like this? Come on, don't tell me you're still angry.
Why won't I be? You've roasted yourself for that dickhead and can't even stand it for you for once.
Baby, it's okay. You know me too well. I don't keep things like this to heart.
Well, I'm not you, and I do. It's irritating.
Sorry. I'm sorry, babe. Yeah. So, tell me. How did it go, Yolan?
Cool. The land's been paid for and all the legal documents duly acquired.
Wow, that's a good news. I knew you got this. Thank you so much.
Thank you for what? Come on.
That reminds me, Dad called earlier and invited us for the weekend.
Okay.
Maybe from there we could stop by the land so I can see it.
Of course, sure. We can.
Oh, baby, I'm starving.
I've been waiting for you to get back. Meanwhile, I brought out tea from the freezer and I'm gonna go boil rice for us to eat.
Yes. Husband material. 1 million years. This is why I love you.
Very
Come
funny.
here.
Alright, go freshen up. I'll be with you later. I hope work wasn't too stressful.
Wait, I don't want to talk about that. Oh my god.
Be quick and come down so we can dine. Yeah. My baby, my baby.
Aris, my sister. Nothing anybody won't tell me. Have fun. See, no. I didn't have a white garment now. Carry something the now. Alice going say they will pay, maybe for belief, but because prophet need to go receive for a house. You know, believe him. Landlord na good man.
Only good man anything. So what time we say lawyer na 150. I give her 150. Carry 2K keep lawyer.
But what thing they want to make woman mind they okay? Eh? So you know say na we person they work na they chop. About store they chop from temple. Na in temple be that na you do here we collect court. Why you come they cry?
Don't do now.
And so waiting be the way forward.
They travel waiting be the way forward. They travel. Go, I go do visa. No.
Aris, you know say you're my brother sister and I love you very well. I can die for you. I beg, I want to know you do me a favor. Open your eyes so that you go see me.
Which favor?
That visa where you want to. I don't know whether you feel yourself middle for Patrick too. No, we go as a family together. You go see you. Imagine they say we are family. As I hold you now, I know say, but if Patrick did now, we have one go complete. See my hand. Patrick know the.
It's supposed to be true for me. Any sister, any brother will get mind or not for your money. So you want send you want sibling, you want a sister or brother, go outside country. That person, not better person. It is very rare. Nobody go free to am if I don't benefit anything from them. But don't be like this, don't be. I don't want to do your own to another person.
Why they talk like that now? Patrick, maybe outsider now. Who is another person? You they talk him outside. I say this one now, my man.
And I say, I know what before.
If not so, then me, I know they follow you go anywhere. Because it's why your mind go there like Okpobi.
No,
why you see Okpobi?
No go, now plus to me, I go save the money to myself. That 300 million save na small money save. No go, I go save am. You understand? No go.
You know they even respect person, ma.
I know why I don't beg you, may follow me. You don't need go. This in a trap. I don't even will make you say you know they go. So that I go see reason will make me no book flight for you or do visa for you.
You know, you the family be smart because see what you use your hand do now. No, see the way you slap your hand. See, after I go say be smart because no, see what you do there. And I not talk anything.
What did I do?
It's okay, no problem. I know they.
I said I don't go do.
You do am again.
I don't know. Sometimes the way they use it.
You get us to use your hand do ta.
See,
and you say you know they go. My sister go remain here.
Now what you make you never make money? Now what you make you never make money? You stay for your sister house. Shame no they catch you.
Shame no catch you. My sister won't collect house. You go collect where rat, cockroach.
Where you they stay? Talk.
My man heart. In heart cover me. Now there they stay. You get man? Since I know you, okay, you be my sister. You get anybody that looking for you? Say, you know they happy for your sister, so that good things.
That's what they talk. Say in a family, one person will spoil family.
And now you spoil them.
See them village terror. Aye. Okwa fapuna na dem manopodo. See them village terror. Aye. Fabona na dem manopodo. If they pass something go lost. If you keep something they go relocate them. Look at them. Now locals come them they do. Them they look for enemies how to generate money. So if you follow Mungu they go chop and clean them out. See them village terror. Aye. Okwa fabona na dem manopodo. See them village terror. Aye. Fabona na dem manopodo. If they pass something go lost. If you keep something they go relocate them. Look at them. Now locals come them they do. Them they look for enemies how to generate money. So if you follow Mungu they go chop and clean them out. See them village
the Prime Minister of our time.
Your Highness, that reminds me. I saw people clearing that piece of land.
Which land?
Your Highness, as I'm speaking to you now, they are still there.
I said, which land are you referring to?
Your Highness, the land you know.
The land the governor gave to me?
Yes, Your Highness.
What? Again? Guards! Not again! Guards!
Who are those? Who gave you the audacity to work on the king's land? Before the count of two, get out of this land. I say get out! Get out of this land! Now! Come on, come on here! Leave this place! Nonsense! Scandalous! Stupid things! Can you imagine?
Oga, now this will come sad, beat everybody wey dey there, but us come on for sides. You see, they don't want to see us there.
Okay, I'm really sorry, No vex, just calm down. See what you're going to do, just go. Let me sort everything and call you back. Alright?
Okay.
Sorry for the beating.
Okay, sorry.
Hey,
Are you sure that land really belongs to the landlord?
Come on, it belongs to the landlord. Baby agents told me that the land belongs to the landlord, so no cause for alarm. Listen, I trust baby agents so well. All the business I've done with her are all legit. Alright? So don't be scared.
I'm ready to see so.
Sure.
See them village terror.
I don't know.
If you keep something, they go relocate them. Look at them, now look as come them they do. Them they look for enemies, how to generate money. So if you follow them good, they go drop and clean them out. See them village terror.
Who are these rascals? Who are these nincompoops? What is going on here? What is going on here?
Dad?
What? Off the car for me.
Dad?
Princess! Princess, what are you doing here?
Dad, I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
This is the land I told you I was gifted by the governor.
Dad, this is my land. Dad, this is the same land I told you I acquired for the hospital project.
What? This land?
Yes.
Look at you.
Oh my God, my princess! Welcome. Thank you so much. You look good. Good to see everybody. How are you guys doing? I'm good. Oh, that was fine.
Sit. That's a great idea. And I support you 100%.
Thank you, Dad.
You know that land that was gifted to me by the governor?
Yes, yeah.
You may have it.
I think that is a great idea. The location is good.
Christabel,
Yes, Daddy.
I've been thinking of what to do with that land. But the moment you made mention of that hospital, it dawned on me that that land had been reserved for that project.
Come on, Father. I really didn't want to take that land from you.
You are my daughter. Whatever that belongs to me, belongs to you.
I know.
I give you the land.
Father, like I said earlier, I didn't want to take that land. Besides, you and I got this, okay? As a matter of fact, we started the search for a suitable land. And I believe in no time we'll get one.
Search no more. You have it at platter.
Father, I still insist. It's a land, keep it. Don't worry yourself. I'll find one. Okay?
My princess, our suggestion have some merit.
I really don't want to take Father's land from him. I mean, it was a gift from the government. So I think that he should keep it and do whatever it is you want to do with it.
I understand, but you are not having any offers. You know, you have to put your wedding to the mirror on the line.
Look, don't bother yourself about it. You and I got this.
Christabel.
Father, take Mama's place.
Well, this is the land I've always wanted you to build the hospital project. So the work can continue.
Really?
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. Meanwhile, who sold this land to you?
It is one baby agent.
Yes.
Baby agent, yeah.
Baby agent. Yes, sir. If you see this person, can you identify the person?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, sure, of course.
Yes.
It's alright. Workers, go on, continue with the job. We'll settle that in the palace.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So meanwhile,
This video tickle me too much. You can see this thing where they do, they give me the diabetes from the sickness. It's okay. I'm assuming, stop, you don't do, God, stop before you kill me. Jesus. No, man, they come here. Somebody cannot play with you. Is that all you used to do? My youth now, they are touching me up.
The best for yourself. The best.
I'm assuming that. What can happen?
So, you get minds at the liver. You won't follow that. But I don't know how, I don't know what I want to call that girl. That's your Tatashi Pepe sister. You won't leave me here, full and go abroad. Leave me for Nigeria here. Abi?
Man, I don't want to make you react like a tapeworm when they just throw small stuff from but you just mingle. He never wish like that now. See, my sister, I know, say she been do visa. Say we could use her in transfer. But me, I been get my own side plan because I know say nothing will depart my love for you. So I keep my own money, say I carry come give it tomorrow evening so that by the time our visa come out, when you don't ready to travel, me I could just want to come with you, then me and you go don't worry, go start our life. I get no, see.
No, I'm not convinced.
My thought for you are of good, it's not of evil. No, imagine say I leave you, if God no go be proud of me for you. I'm telling you.
Are you sure?
Yes, me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That's it for me.
I love you.
We get one that song we don't listen for me. You get one song we don't listen for me.
That Caraba one. Oh. Okay. Ariana Oka. That is your love feeling.
Hey, don't use that.
It's okay, you give me.
I'm out to do sharp, but pass razor blending on she be baby at least you know they play. Now hustle she day, no house too far for Alice. She go find out for you, yeah. Her eyes on the money, the money alone, and she is too smart to like smarty for no. Buy to get your money, she go smile. Giving to talk, she go sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher. Jay, to collect your money, she goes. Even to talk to you, she goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tired.
What happened? Why they shall say my name like that? I say you did the day where they give you that day. You attend my naming ceremony. See, I don't go to that mood. No, they ask me nonsense question. Maybe I will not get issue. Why you shout my name like that? What happened?
I don't know. Who make you vex? Who make you vex like this?
What did you make me the vex? Maybe you say make I go settle about 3. Say me and I no go there again. I don't go settle them now. They come back and they ask me. If now you do that kind of matter, you no go vex.
But you know, we don't need anything where go distract us. We don't need anything where go distract us. You know, Abby.
See, no provoke me. I don't want you to as a scapegoat. Respect yourself, Abby. You have to respect yourself. Don't ask me a question. I know they that mood.
Voila. The good thing them say don't what I want. No voila. But what do you say you don't go settle? Which way you settle? Cannot say I never give you your court. Some
bro. Which kind of nonsense be that? So you won't tell me since I come this time, I never work, I never do anything, I never get even 1%. I don't get money now, you don't see me finish.
Okay, you can get money. No, You don't bring light. You go inside.
Then you go kill me inside now. Because this kind nice, really nice. Which one they don't bring light? You don't turn never egg to the announce when they bring her when they take her.
I don't bring light. I don't be fun there.
Hey, you go enjoy them now. No need fun. This son finish me here. I just don't know if you know now. Open this door. Open this door. Hey, Alice, open this door. Alice, that thing where you do no good. When they say define Satan, I go say na Alice, open the door. Alice.
So what I need is a 3-bedroom apartment urgently. A friend of mine just returned from the UK and he's stranded. Yeah, so I want to know the possibility of you getting us the apartment between today and tomorrow. Yes, and I'll pay you for the urgency, the sum of 3 million naira.
Okay, sir. I'll check and get back to you.
Alright, thank you so much. I always knew I could count on you.
You're welcome, sir.
Right, bye.
Wow, now you've caught a fish.
This is really good, I swear. But come to think of it, how did you come about this strategy?
Well, I didn't. My baby did.
Wow.
I know, right? I lived all my life in America, remember?
Yeah.
And it's pretty not much of a walk in the park for me to catch it repetitive. And besides, everyone knows that the fastest way to catch a Nigerian is by offering them money. So,
I disagree with that. Everybody likes money. That's not a Nigerian thing.
Exactly.
Well, let your baby agents prove me wrong.
Okay,
let's just sit back and watch how this unfolds.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope she falls for it though.
Why not?
Just get them something. Get them something.
Babe, I've not cooked yet. I'll just get something.
Yes.
I'm coming! I'll be right back.
Alright.
What be that thing where you been dey talk for man? What you dey even talk? See, make I tell you, no even try am. No try am. I don't want to hear that kind of thing at all.
What if this thing na a trap? What if na trap wey dey set wey dey use catch us?
See, this one, you no fit be trap. Remember say you tell me say this boy and him girlfriend, they don't dey for America, they. And you know how those American people they behave. Sometimes they like say their wire they touch, their cord they touch, their charger they touch. So you go behave short for phone. But not be that one go make you the fear. Now you want to know how child lady. It's not possible. You no go do anything. Nothing you go do.
Nah, KTT, sure see no did this to me. Sure.
As you dey ask me whether I sure, me I don't do am finish. In fact, na the end result. Now I hold for hand. Move for head, nothing dey happen. In fact, you don't see say table dey turn. Now na me come dey give you ginger. Me when you be no believe when they say I get second mind. Now na me dey show you say the created stone. It don't turn to chief cornerstone. What they bring that guy one now? How much you even talk? Just little how many million. Not the money be that now. What they fear? Who will move ahead? No go get BPO because anyway, now maybe your niece of king so even if you move from there, no problem. You say added one value to me plus.
Her inspection fee no get refund.
Hello.
Hey, Alice on your loibo. She be Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No, she be baby agent. Alice, no they play. Also she dey. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah. Her eyes on the money. The money alone. And she is too smart like smarty for no. Buy to get your money. She goes smart. Giving to talk. She goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butcher. Jay. To collect your money, she goes even to talk to you. If you give her money, Alice go turn tiger. Alice baby agent yo. Her inspection fee no get a refund. Hey, Alice on your loibo.
You look for me now. This contract. Why is this? Are you not the man? What happened to that?
She
So what do you think we should do with the transfer?
Now why ain't there inside and go carry him come? See him here. I can't for you.
How much I will see?
I be command everything. That girl need to respect me. I told you talk to me now. Back everything come. In fact, money will go enter in future. Do quick, I beg before. Shit. Which one be shit? You want shit? If you want shit, you go shit. No be say before you go enter now, she go come.
Before you don't lock, I don't fit do anything. Even if I password, I don't fit do anything. I don't even know her password. You will be your sister. Show me the password, make I do it. Shall come to me and be talking no time. Make I transfer the whole thing. Move the command here.
How you go say phone they lock? They use my lock. They lock phone. If you lock them,
I will lie for you. See, I cannot do anything. I don't touch it. And if you do like, they say POC number. Make you enter your POC number. You know, Tabi ordinary password. A POC number you go know. You will stay with her. You need to know her password.
I want to do like you go. Why they talk like that? What do you want to do now?
You know the people should do.
You say last one you. Don't come back. How have been going now? We don't go see her.
I don't go. I don't say everywhere fine you now. Exactly 3 bedroom flats. Too sure when you back.
Yeah. In that case, no me rush go now. You know how this agent they behave. Maybe before person go say make you come go then and they don't rush carry the place. Give another person go. Let's say a person don't collect.
I'm calling my phone.
Your phone will no charge. Neighbor will take line.
But when they come out light today now.
Immediately you just come on and neighbor take them, but that will not be the issue. No one go see him. Don't worry. The phone will be wahala. No go. Leave I'm going to use my own.
Her inspection fee no get a refund. Hey, Alice on your loibo.
We've been waiting here now, eh? You've never here for over 1 hour. Where are you? Where are you? Of course, all of us are here waiting. Okay, please be fast.
What did she say?
She said they are close. Yeah, she just wait. Where have you been now?
I no fake, so now hold up for road. No fake.
Sorry. Let me show you that.
Okay, please, let's go.
So you think you can start us, right? Eh? So you can scam us. Your days are over. You provide that money. You must pay every dime we paid into your account. You bring it out.
Sorry.
You think you can scam us?
You both have scammed the wrong people, and I promise you, you pay to the last dime.
Every dime. Stop begging us and start doing the transfers. Why now? I trusted you and you tried to scam us. Yeah? Did you do anything wrong? Did you do anything wrong? You provide that money. Start bringing it now.
Follow you do this.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up and abuse your mouth. Shut up with you people.
Where is the money? I said, where is the money?
Officers, sir. Thanks for coming. Please, you can go back to the station. I will kill them myself.
Dad, you can't do that. You can't take laws into your hands. The law will take it full course on them. But firstly, they need to refund every dime they took from us. And they're doing it right now. And what the hell are you still waiting for? Start making the transfer right now!
I'm sorry things happened to you, but money don't finish.
What?
Just you don't spend with it and nothing remain.
Really? Officer, please take these two thieves and lock them up. Throw away the key until they're ready to refund our money.
Two of you, get up!
Get up!
Wait, there's something I want to explain here.
And what is it?
This one here is a minor, so I will only go with this one.
We can't talk with that one. Officer, why would you open your mouth and talk that kind of thing now? Eh? Which one be minors? Why the minors, sir?
I didn't say she's a minor. I said she's just a minor.
Why the minors? Now, if two people commit crime, one the one singular one, come plural one, and I'm not going to suffer for the two. No, now. Not two people commit crime, and the two then go carry co. Which one be minors?
Oh, now I understand. Let me explain better. She's not up to 18 years. She's a small girl, so she cannot be detained. That is what I mean.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
No, my friend, shut up about truth. This one is not minor, so the sin who don't pass 18. In fact, no, shut up your mouth. If not be listening, this one na marriage now, when they plan to give her out. Which one be minors?
I'm a minor now. I approve it.
I should prove it. Open your armpit.
Where's my baptismal card? Mommy, let me go and meet mommy.
Which mommy are you talking about? Your mommy that is late. Officers, please, arrest them. Take them away. Move!
No, I'm minor.
I said move!
I'm minor.
Stand there. Move!
I'm minor.
Don't play with me. Move! Move!
Inspection fee, no get a refund. Hey, at least see on your Oluebube. Amount to too sharp, but pass razor blade. No, she be baby agent. At least you know they play. Now hustle she day. No house too far for Alice. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money alone. And she is too smart like smarty for no. Buy to get your money. She goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butter. Jay, to collect your money, she goes even to talk to you. She goes sweet talk. If you give her money, Alicia go turn tiger. Alicia baby agent, yo. She be baby agent. Her inspection fee no get a refund. She be baby agent. Hey, Alicia on your Oluebube. She be baby agent. Her mouth too sharp, but pass razor blade. No, she be baby agent. Alicia no dey play. Now hustle she day. No house too far for Alicia. She go find out for you. Yeah, her eyes on the money alone. And she is too smart like smarty for no. Buy to get your money. She goes smart. Even to talk, she goes sweet talk. If money come out, Alicia Butter.